Hello everyone and welcome to the stream. If you're new to my stream, my name is Abhishek Sharma and I'm trying to learn advanced backend and system design, and this is day 36 of that. So if you enjoyed the stream, do consider subscribing to this channel and drop a like. So let's get started now. So all right. Okay, so here first, okay. Just a sec. I need to start my Redis server first because then again I get the error. Lazy Sloth. Hi. Hello, Lazy Sloth. Welcome to the stream, brother. How are you? Okay, so Docker desktop. Starting Docker engine. Okay. SL Vikram. Yo, hello, SL Vikram. Welcome back to the stream, brother. How are you? Okay, so let's start the Docker. Okay. Docker ps-a docker start Redis server. Okay. Moviepedia. Bhaiya, what are the extension in your VS Code? What will we doing today? Today we are trying to complete in the Google Auth section. We are trying to implement create session and set today our main goal is to implement these three phases of the Google Auth. So we are done with Google Auth. Okay, bhaiya, what are the extensions? Like, my extensions are pretty simple. I use extensions related to React, IntelliCode. When I was working in a company, I was working with Angular as well. So there is some extension related to Angular. Then there are some themes, Google Colab, for debugger for Java as well, containers, ES7 Redux, like pretty basic extensions actually. So yeah. Okay. SL Vikram. हाँ भाई, अच्छा हूँ. आज जल्दी आ गए तुम स्ट्रीम में. Yeah bro, like today आज मैं जल्दी आ गया. Okay. So create session part, right? So let's start. First I'll open the main chat. Where is it? Phase 4 chat. Hold on. Phase 4. Where is it? Phase 4. Yeah, this one. This is the phase 4 chat. Ace Flow. Hello Ace Flow. Welcome to the stream. But yeah, if I want to start coding today, if I'm going to college this year, what should I do? First, pick a programming language. Either start with Python or JavaScript. And first, I'll tell you, follow a tutorial from YouTube and follow along with that tutorial, and then get into the underlying backend tech stack or full stack tech stack that is related to that programming language. विवेक भैया, मैं भी चैट जीपीटी का यूज करके एप्स और गेम बना सकता हूँ. हाँ, बना सकते हो, बट बिफोर यू यूज चैट जीपीटी टू टीच योरसेल्फ एनीथिंग, make sure you understand the basics first, and basics you can learn from tutorials. Why I'm saying that? Because you need that basic understanding so that you can judge if GPT is telling you the right answer or not, because LLMs can hallucinate, right? So you have to have that basic judgment where you can decide if LLM is hallucinating or not. Let's focus. Welcome to stream. Let's focus. Ashutosh Singh. Hello Ashutosh, welcome to the stream. Is Code with Harry's web dev playlist good for Month? Actually, I did not follow that playlist, so I cannot comment on it. You can try out different playlists and you can check it out. Ace Flow, thanks bhaiya. Welcome Ace Flow. Scorp 662. Hello Scorp, welcome to the stream. Hello, was waiting for your stream yesterday, then went to bed early. Yeah, actually yesterday I did not stream. Basically on Sundays usually I don't stream. So today we are again continuing the stream. Okay, so yeah, this one. Okay, so first I'll start my backend. Clear cd backend npm run dev. Okay, and here we have cd frontend npm run dev. Okay, fine. Let's focus on coding. Yep. Jalad Sharma. Hello Jalad, welcome to stream. We'll connect on that day. All right. Buddy, which day? Okay. Okay, so front end has started and localhost 3000. Okay. We have this. So in my backend server database, If I go to user table, we have this user table, and then we have the auth account. These two tables are the main thing, right? Okay, so test user 2 and this one. Okay, so let's try this. Right now there's no public account, right? What if I try to continue with Google, use this and continue? Okay, we got this. Now if I go here, yeah, we are getting the Google auth, and user ID is Sriragi. Hello Sriragi, welcome to the stream and thanks for subscribing to this channel. So 57E, and this is, and here we have 5. Okay, so this is working. 16th. Okay, okay, will tag you. Where will you tag me? Like, can you tell me? You make your app, I will hack it after launch. Okay, nice. We have this. Okay, then here we can say that, just a sec. Okay, Hamja, I want to become a backend developer as quickly and effectively as possible. Given that I already know JavaScript and React, where should I start? Okay, so if you know already JavaScript and React, then you can get into backend with Node.js. Understand? Go to. I will suggest you first learn about Express.js and Node.js, and then try to learn about CRUD APIs, build CRUD APIs, then learn about authentication, and you can learn all of this. Like, can you tell me, Hamza, like what languages do you know? Like, apart from English, what language do you understand? विवेक भैया, आपको लगता है कि जितने भी चैट जीपीटी में आपने इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज यूज़ करके सैस बनाया है, इतना ही हिंदी में लिखे तो सही रहेगा क्या? मुझे नहीं इंग्लिश आता. सी एक्चुअली जीपीटी ना इज़ मोर कंफर्टेबल विथ इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज, क्योंकि ज़्यादातर डेटा इज़ इंग्लिश इन ऑनलाइन, राइट? सो इट इज़ यूजुअली ट्रेन्ड ऑन दैट डेटा ओनली. So मैं तो बोलूँगा कि try to learn English, it will help you a lot. Okay, we have this one. We have this. Okay, fine. This we have. Copy this, and now we can copy this one, paste it here. Okay, then here we'll say phase 13, create session part. Phase 13, this one, phase, hold on, copy this, paste it here. Then this phase 13, copy this and paste this here. Okay, भाई आज क्या था डिनर में? आज मैंने रोटी, ऑमलेट और बीन्स खाया है. लेट्स फोकस. ओके, excellent. Phase 13 is where OAuth finally joins the existing authentication system. The good news is okay. Phase 7. Jatin, hello Jatin, welcome to the stream. I want to learn WebSocket. Can you suggest me any good video, or should I learn it from GPT? If you want to learn about WebSockets, I will tell you that go to YouTube and search here. Hold on, WebSockets. Learn about WebSockets. There are lots of courses available online. You can follow this one, Chire Code, this one, or you can understand it from Piyush Garg YouTube channel as well. And then you have this six-pack programmer. This is also a good resource. You can follow it from here as well. There are lots of resources available online. Okay. Raja Shekhar. Hello Raja Shekhar, welcome to the stream. In this series, what do you mean by advanced backend series? I'm new to it and What is it about? Sorry for being repeated question. Okay, that's fine. It's okay. See, the thing is, in advanced backend and system design series, I want to learn about how to implement scalable system design concepts, and I want to do it practically, because most of the system design concepts that is available on YouTube, like I have learned theory from there, but I was not able to find any good practical resource, right? So I thought, why not? I am teaching myself, so why not show it how I am teaching myself about how I'm learning practical system design. Okay, GPT plus is 0 rupees right now. Okay, HRU, okay, welcome to the stream. Okay, Hamza, I can speak Bengali, English, Hindi, Urdu, and Arabic, and I know a little of German as well. If you know Hindi, then for that you can go to Charcoal YouTube channel. You will find a backend playlist there. You can follow that to learn backend. Is learning Golang worth it? Yes, it is a good language, and lots of companies are adopting Golang. But the thing is, Golang, there are lots of jobs in Golang as well, but it is mostly for senior developers. Okay. And guys, by the way, yesterday I felt earthquake in Kolkata. I am from Kolkata. I am living in Kolkata right now. So there was earthquake yesterday. So did anyone else feel that? ओके भाई, अपने वो न्यूज़ सुनी है जिसमें माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ने एआई से काम करवाना बंद कर दिया है क्योंकि बहुत सारा मनी. हाँ, वो मैंने देखा कि एआई इज़ एक्चुअली वेरी एक्सपेंसिव, सो दैट्स व्हाई दे आर रीहायरिंग पीपल. ओके, लेट्स सी व्हाट वी गेट. ओके, phase 7 email login Google goal of phase 13. After phase 12, find or create user. Now you need create session, access token, refresh, store social. Yeah, okay. What should not happen? Don't copy this from login user, okay, onto OAuth. That creates two source of truth. Let's focus. Bye. Okay, bye. Okay. We have this access token, refresh token, create session. Then we have create two source of truth. What should happen? All session creation should. Jatin, would you suggest me any good project using WebSocket? One of the best project for WebSocket is building a chat application, chatting application. That is one of the best resource, like best project to learn WebSockets, because in chat application, notification system, instant messaging, WebSockets are used a lot. Atharva, what are you learning today? What is the remained? Okay, today we are trying to implement these three phases. Create session. Like today we are trying to complete the Google Auth. Okay. What should happen? Inside auth service example, create auth. Live in one method. Inside auth service and the methods user agent. Okay. Refactor existing login user. Create authenticated session. Have we created this? Backend src module auth.service. Create authenticated session. Yes, we have it. Fine, we have created this. And if I see my login part, register user, all of this, we have this create authenticated user. Okay, Pheronix, I had made my MERN stack project YouTube and tweet. Can you suggest me some more project in this domain? And now try to build a video calling app. If you can pull off a video calling app, like you can consider yourself a senior engineer now. निखितिक्स कल आए ही नहीं. या मैं कल संडे था तो मैं संडे को ज़्यादा स्ट्रीम नहीं करता हूँ, तो कल तो मैं नहीं आया. विवेक भाई, क्या टेक सेक्टर भी कमाल है. जब स्टूडेंट्स ने एआई सुना तो एआई सीखना स्टार्ट किया, और अब हाँ, एक्चुअली टेक ना ऐसा ही होता है, काफ़ी अनप्रेडिक्टेबल होता है एक्चुअली में. लॉगिन यूज़र, वी हैव दिस. ओके फाइन, वी हैव दिस. क्रिएट. ओके, बिल्ड सेशन हेल्पर, मूव ऑल ऑफ दिस, generate session id. Yes, we have this. Okay, create authenticated session. Auth service needs auth service. Inject auth service. Okay, in the constructor auth service. Okay, fine, that's the first thing. Second thing, after 13, find or create Google user. Okay, now we'll get the session. Okay, return everything as access token, refresh token, update, handle, callback. Okay, fine. Okay, user, then we have this one, refresh token, update controller. Okay, okay, interesting. Okay, so what we need is basically very simple. We already have the create authenticated session part. Okay, so what I can do is here in my auth, भाई पाइथन में प्रोजेक्ट क्या बना सकते हूँ, कुछ सजेशन दोगे लाइक बिगिनर प्रोजेक्ट्स. Beginner projects in Python, you can start building my terminal based application like a banking system in your terminal. You don't have to care about the UI part right now. Then later you can try to build like Python is versatile. You can build anything using Python. So I will suggest that after learning the basics of Python, try to build a simple banking application, like not so complex, a simple banking application in your terminal only. Vivek, रंग बदलने वाली छिपकली. That's a nice one. Okay. Hi Pheronix, I have merged YouTube and tweet system and now I host it from Warsaw. Can you check it just for 30 seconds where I can share the link? Actually, you can share the link in my Discord server. The Discord server link is in the description of the stream. And once today's development session is done, then I'll review the projects. Okay. OAuth, and we have OAuth service. Okay. We have OAuth service as well and OAuth container. Okay, and here we need const auth service equals new auth service, and here we need the auth repository, and this auth service needs to be passed here. And in my OAuth service, in the constructor, here we have this. Then after this we have private auth service I auth. Hold on, we have this auth service parameter private. Okay, we have this auth service. Fine, we have the auth service now, and here find or create Google user, handle, callback. We have this. So then here const auth service, where is it? Auth service, auth session. We are getting the const auth session equals await this dot auth service dot, where is it? Hold on, auth service. Peter, web scraping. Web scraping, yeah, like right now we are not doing web scraping, but web scraping can be done in any language. Like with Python, we can do it with a beautiful soup. SL विक्रम, ओके समझा. अभी तो कोड विथ हरीबग का कोर्स लिया है मैंने और वहाँ से पाइथन सीख रहा हूँ, डेटा साइंस कोर्स. ओह दैट्स नाइस. Gopa Kumar. Hello Gopa Kumar, welcome to the stream. What is the advanced Mount project? Advanced Mount project can be a video calling app. It can be a Twitter clone, like Twitter or YouTube clone, like YouTube end-to-end clone, like video servicing also. Giri Shankar. Hello Giri Shankar, welcome back to the stream, brother. How are you? Auth service. So here we have, just a sec, private async auth service dot this one. This is private. Okay, hold on. So instead of private, it should not be private actually. Hold on. Where is it? Not private. Okay, yeah, it should not be private. So it should not be private. So keep it like this. And then here we can use it. Dot create authenticated session. And it requires user ID, user agent, IP address. User ID, user agent. Okay. User dot id. Then how will we get the agent? Hold on. How will we get the agent? User agent. Okay. Where is it? Okay, user agent. Okay, we have to send the user agent here as well. Okay, so here we have to pass the user agent of type string, and then we have IP address, and then we have IP address of type string. Okay, and then we can pass this user agent and IP address. Fine, we got this. गिरीश शंकर, ग्रेट ब्रो, हाउ आर यू? आई एम गुड गिरीश शंकर. VS कोड फोन में चलता है क्या? पता नहीं ब्रो. Hey Abhishek, how you doing? Have you forgotten me? No bro, welcome to the stream Ayush. Okay, VS code. Okay, hello bro. Do AI Java development is good stack for freshers, Spring Boot plus Spring AI. Actually for fresher I will not recommend Java and Spring Boot, because see there are lots of job for Java developers, but what I have observed is that they are asking for at least 2 years experience. So Java developer jobs are usually for senior developers that are already in the industry, but for complete fresher it's a bit difficult to get a job as a Spring Boot developer. Bro, I cracked GSOC. All the best. Like congratulations man, Kinder Joy. Congrats man. At Jenkins, that's crazy bro. Congrats man, congrats. Kinder Joy, congratulations. VS Code. Okay, what else? Okay भैया सेमेस्टर एग्ज़ाम आने वाले हैं, सिलेबस की PDF ही बताओ भाई, कैसे पढूं, क्या अपने CGPA आ जाए यूट्यूब लेक्चर में? सी पहले तो आपको देखना पड़ेगा कि आपके कॉलेज में लाइक व्हाट काइंड ऑफ सेमेस्टर इन ड्यूरिंग सेमेस्टर एग्जाम, लाइक डू क्वेश्चंस कम फ्रॉम द टीचर नोट्स or outside of teacher notes. First you have to consider, like think about that. Guru, how would you learn Express and TypeScript? Any course or document material recommendation? I think see I learned Express, and first I watched first I understood JavaScript really well. Then I learned Express from YouTube tutorials, and I code along with those tutorials. Then after watching the tutorials I built some basic projects. That's how I learned. Roadmap for BVOC in software. What is BVOC? I don't know man, what is BVOC? अच्छा भैया, मैंने AI ChatGPT यूज़ करके लोगो डिज़ाइन, वॉलपेपर, बिजनेस कार्ड, पोस्टर डिज़ाइन और कर सकता हूँ, तो मैं इनको यूज़ करके क्या फ्रीलांसिंग कर सकता हूँ? हाँ कर तो सकते हो, बट दी major difficulty in freelancing is getting clients. So I will not suggest you to depend on Upwork or Fiverr. I will suggest you to use your own network. Tell your friends, families that you can build, you know these are the services that you provide, and if they need this service they can contact you. Try to use your own network. Wajahat Thali. Hello Wajahat Thali, welcome to the stream. I am learning C. I have doubt bro. For me in my code correct me such that if I got return value in int it should printf. It's an integer which isn't valid. I am learning C. I have a doubt bro. For me in my code correct me so that if I return a value, you have to create a function and the return type should be integer only, and in that function it should only accept integer. And like for example, what you can do is when a variable is passed, like if you want to check if it's a number is an integer or not, what you can do is you can check its data type. Blast Bob, hello Blast Bob, welcome to Blasty Bob, welcome to the stream. So bhaiya, which stack to choose as fresher? Either go with Python based tech stack, FastAPI or Django, or go with Mern stack or Pern stack. iFizza, hello iFizza, welcome to the stream. Our university has taught us C++ in second semester. What should I do next in this semester break of 2.5 months? Any suggestion? Okay, so after C++, you know C++, now I think you should start learning Python. Divyanshu Lohani, hello bhaiya, hello Divyanshu, welcome to the stream. Okay, so this auth session we are getting right. Handle Google. Okay, if I go here in my controller, auth controller, we have this Google callback, this one. Okay, we have this one. Fine. Return user auth service. We have this. Return user access token is auth session dot access token. Then refresh token is auth session dot refresh token. We got these things. Okay, then we have the update the controller. So here you will need this one, request.ip. Then okay, so here we actually need to get this, all of these things, state and all, and then we are going to get the request const user agent equals request dot headers, and here we can get user agent or unknown, and here we have const IP address equal request dot IP or unknown, obviously request dot IP or unknown. Okay, then here we need to pass this user agent and IP address. Okay, fine, we have this one. Okay, why? Okay. Why is this design production grade email login user? Okay, Google login. Yeah, okay, got it. Microsoft callback, everything, which means same. Okay, at the end of studying your flow becomes this very small set cookies. So here we have refresh cookie. Okay, let's check it now. Okay, fine. Why Python? Because see, right now you already know C. After learning C++, your foundations are very clear of programming language, and then you can easily learn Python. And then after Python, you have like, then you can make a decision. Either you want to go with AI/ML part, or you want to go with full stack development part. Python gives you a freedom to go into any path actually. Okay. सायन सॉरी, थोड़ा बेकार टॉपिक हो सकता है, बुरा मत माना अगर मैं इंस्टाग्राम में मेरा पर्सनल नंबर से आईडी क्रिएट करूं जिसमें मेरा बैंक अकाउंट हो, तो क्या कोई इशू हो सकता है? ब्रो, आई हैव नो आइडिया मैन. आई जॉइन योर स्ट्रीम सो दैट आई कैन वर्क ऑन माई प्रोजेक्ट. ओ थैंक्स दिव्यांशु. Abhishek bro, can you please suggest me a good teacher on YouTube for C++ learning? C++, see, I learned C++ in my college actually. So I did not learn C++ from YouTube, so I don't know, man. Harsh Gaur, bhaiya, I completed HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Bhaiya, I haven't make any project. Tired, but due to CSS I can't. See, in CSS you don't have to learn everything. See, that's a misconception that in CSS you have to learn all the topics. No, in CSS just learn about how to center a div, learn about flexbox, learn about grid, learn about position absolute, all these different positions, how to change background color, how to like font size and all, and that's it. You don't have to learn all the topics in CSS. And CSS is like a ocean. It is never ending actually. So you have to make sure that you only understand essential topics. Okay, data scientist or cloud developer, DevOps or network engineer, more scope. See, scope actually ऐसा नहीं कि anything has more scope. Scope सबका है, because when we are trying to build a product and a product is launched in a company, like lots of things are required to manage that product, right? So actually lots of things are in demand, but it depends on what your interest is. For example, if you're interested in DevOps, then go for DevOps. If you're interested in development, if you like doing development, then go for development. Because if you're learning something only for the job perspective, then that is actually a very bad thing to do, because in future anything can happen, right? Maybe DevOps can become obsolete, development can become obsolete. So then what will you do? Right. So don't do it just because something is trending now. Okay. Uh, is the right way? Okay. Bro, what to do first, DSA or development? So you have to do both actually. You have to manage both. You have to do development along with the DSA. Okay. Harsh Gaurav bhai, okay. Hey bro, what's up? Hello Satyam, welcome to the stream. Check Discord, brother. CSS कौन याद करता है? Just use tail में. Like once today's development session is done, then we'll check Discord and all. भैया मैं जानते हूँ क्या कर रहा हूँ, तुम्हारा स्ट्रीम बैकग्राउंड में चल रहा है और मैं कोड कर रहा हूँ. दैट्स नाइस एस एल विक्रम, नाइस. हर्ष गौर भैया, बट आई कांट मेक अ प्रोजेक्ट बाय माई सेल्फ. देन first you have to like if you cannot build a project by yourself, first watch a tutorial, code along with the tutorial, and whatever knowledge you have gained from the tutorial, use that exact knowledge and try to build something of your own. Something simple, like try to build simple to do application. Okay. Hi Abhibro, kaise ho? Hello Karthi, welcome to the stream. How are you, brother? Giga Chiga, hello Giga Chiga, welcome to the stream. Nilanshu, hello. अच्छा, बाय द वे एक बात, डेटा एनालिस्ट के साथ डेटा साइंस भी चल सकता है, लाइक विथ एक्सेल, पावर बी आई, कैन लर्न जावा एंड मोर थिंग्स. सी data analyst and data science are actually quite go hand in hand. For example, in a company, if there is a one product that they are trying to do, like, or if they are trying to build a product, actually data scientist and data analyst, because data analyst is going to like analyze the data and find patterns in the data, right? And then data analyst will communicate that patterns to the data scientist, and data scientist will try to build something from that pattern that is found in the data. So actually you can learn data analysis as well if you're interested. Okay, fine. I built one application using Flutter. It will take me 7 days just for creating 6 pages. Now I wanted to learn no code. Will you tell me how should I start? Actually, I have never tried. I wanted to learn Node. Okay, if you want to learn Node, then I will tell you first follow a playlist. Like go to YouTube, either learn Node from Chai Code YouTube channel or Piyush Garg YouTube channel. Giga Chiga, data analysis. Okay, nice. But yeah, I took admission in BCA. That it will be my first semester. Can I get job while doing my degree? See, BCA, if you are getting into BCA, make sure you become the best developer. Like you have to give a lot of effort, because see, job market, especially for BCA, it depends on your skill actually, because on campus is next to negligible. So you have to crack off campus, and for off campus you have to build very good projects, and you need to learn how you can showcase your projects. So that will help you a lot. Okay, this is done. So what we can do is, just to check this, we can delete this, delete, and here also delete. Okay, so now let's try to log in with Google. And where is my session? This is my session table. Okay, this is my session table. Okay, so now let's try. If I go here, continue with Google, yes, continue, we have this. Okay, and now if I go here, we have the user, we have the auth account, and what about the session? Do we have the session? Yes, we have the session. Refresh token, everything, Mozilla, okay, IPL, okay, nice. So session is getting created. Okay, nice. So we can mark this as completed. Set refresh cookie. But the thing is, now when we are login, hold on, if I go here, register. Okay, now we have to set the cookie. After we get the response, we have to set the cookie of refresh token, right? So if we check here, where is my auth controller? Here we'll see that in auth controller we are setting the cookie. So now we have to just use this line only, auth controller. Here we have this. Okay, just a sec. Google callback handler, this set cookie. Fine, we got this. And before we proceed, what I need to do is helper utils auth helper. Here, let's comment this one for now. Let's comment this. Let's comment the path. Okay, so what is happening is, let's log in a user auth, log in a user here, invalid credentials. Okay, let's try to register a new user. Now we're getting the keys. Now test user 2, test user 2. Okay, go here. Test test user 2 @gmail.com. Test user 2. Send. Fine. Samarnath 6.5k. Hello Samar sir, welcome to the stream. Not only you, but some. Okay. Subhadeep, I'm so distracted. I'm not able to think and code. Should I delete Instagram? Actually, there's no point of deleting. You have to have that self-control. देखो delete करने से, if you want, you can delete it. There's nothing wrong in that. But even if Instagram is in your phone, it does not matter if you don't open it. Like, don't even think about it. Use your time well. Like, whenever you're free, well, mostly what happens, you use Instagram when you're laying on your bed or when you are having a free time, right? So don't give yourself a free time. Okay. OD Maniac. Hello OD Maniac, welcome to the stream. Bro, you're suggesting Python to everyone learning MERN in 2026. Is it outdated? See, I am learning MERN stack because my goal is to build my own startup. And see, after learning MERN stack and right now I'm trying to learn advanced topics and system design topics, right? And I'm quite familiar with MERN stack, so right now I'm able to do system design practically. That's why I'm using MERN stack, because I wanted to understand the practical system design concepts. So after this, I will be shifting to Fast API eventually, because my goal is to build my own startup, and for that, I think it's an AI based startup, right? And it's a backend heavy startup as well. So I will be using Fast API, which is a Python based framework. So after this, I will be shifting to Fast API eventually myself as well. Satyam, bro, what do you as I'm thinking of learning data science, not to get a job, but I feel like as I know full stack dev, I should move towards data science via data engineering route. What do you think? I think, yeah, if you know full stack development, see, once you learn full stack development, it opens a door to learn different things, because eventually, no matter what you learn, you need to have that full stack knowledge to make it into complete product so that people can use a product, right? So it is good that you have done full stack. Now, if you want to get into data science part, then I think if you want to get into data science part, then yeah, you can go for it. And like, when you're trying to learn data science, learn the practical side of data science and try to build projects and turn them into complete products. That will help you a lot. Ricky, bhaiya, I wanted to get a job in C++, but now how to crack that companies? See, jobs in C++, to be honest, in Indian market is very less, right? But in foreign market also, C++ jobs are there, but competition, like for C++ developers, like too much senior engineers are there. Like, see, C++ actually, we use it to build compiler, we use it to build our own gaming engine or any processing engine, right? So C++ works in those kind of projects, right? So if you're a complete fresher, like, you can learn C++, you can get into that, but to get a job, I will suggest you, before you try to get a job, try to get an internship in such companies that are trying to build a gaming engine, or they are trying to build a simulation engine. Try to get an internship in these kind of companies first. Why Fast API but not Express or JS? Actually, see, what the startup that I'm trying to build, it's an AI agentic startup, right? So for that, I think more resources are available in Python tech stack. Like, we can do it with Express as well, but I think it is better to use tech stack where I can get a lot of community support as well. Like for Express.js and Next.js, web development community support is there. But when it comes to building AI, like agentic AI kind of things with Express and Node, less community support is there. I think for that, Python is the best. Okay. भाई पाइथन में ओपन सोर्स किधर करे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा. फॉर दैट यू हैव टू डू योर ओन रिसर्च. लाइक गूगल में सर्च करो पाइथन बेस्ड ओपन सोर्स प्रोजेक्ट्स, यू विल फाइंड लॉट ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट्स देयर. देन ट्राई टू कंट्रीब्यूट टू दोस प्रोजेक्ट्स. वजह थाली, हेलो वजह, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम. आई एम अ बिगिनर, शुड आई चूज MySQL or Postgres? Go with Postgres because see, once you understand SQL database, then you can directly get into Postgres. How to explore advanced topics. See, right now I have made, like I did my own research. I used AI to make myself a syllabus, like a complete syllabus that I can use to learn advanced topics. So this syllabus contains all the topics that we should know as a backend engineer. Like it has lots of things and lots of project also like that I want to build. So yeah, I'm following this syllabus, and then I'm picking one topic, then I'm teaching myself these topics. That's how I'm learning. And to understand, see, I know basic backend, right? So I know basic backend, so that's why I can understand. Even if I'm teaching myself using AI, I can understand the code. Yes, as you know, I was developing the YouTube like video streaming app with ADS. I'm about to get Duen with it, but as you know, it lacks a recommendation engine. Okay, so maybe you can try to build a recommendation engine of your own. Suraj, भैया Python में open source. Okay, I answered that question. Okay, give link of that. This link I have shared in the Discord server. You can join the Discord server. The link in the description of the stream. Anyway, you could share that notes, bro. Yeah, I have shared that notes in my Discord server. You can find that notes in my Discord server, and the Discord server link in the description of the stream. Do you use Cursor or anti-gravity? I don't use AI coding agents till now. I thought you choose Python for fast-paced development. See, actually, right now with Express.js, the kind of fluency that I have with Express.js, I can build MVPs faster with Express, to be honest. Because I want to build AI coding agents, and see, I know I will get errors and everything, and maybe some things will go over my head. So I need a tech stack that has strong community support for coding, like agentic AI kind of things. So recommendation engine would be a great project to build with data science ML based project, right? Yes, recommendation engine is actually a very good and complex project. भाई एक वीडियो Node.js पर बना दो आप. Okay, see, right now I'm not interested in making tutorials and all. Right now my goal is to teach myself advanced system design topics and eventually get into building my startup. So yeah. Sam77, bro, coding के लिए best keyboard बताना जो specific coding के लिए. सी कोडिंग के लिए कोई स्पेसिफिक कीबोर्ड नहीं होता है. लाइक कीबोर्ड का काम है सिर्फ टाइप एंड उसका इनपुट कंप्यूटर में जाना. अगर आपको वो साउंड वाउंड में इंटरेस्ट है तब यू कैन गो फॉर मैकेनिकल कीबोर्ड. और ऐसा नहीं है कि विदाउट मैकेनिकल कीबोर्ड यू कैन नॉट कोड. यू कैन कोड विद एनी कीबोर्ड. ओके, आर्टिफिशियल अपर्चर. भाई अभिषेक भाई, एक दिक्कत हो गई. मैंने कॉलेज ज्वाइन नहीं किया 12th के बाद. इज इट फाइन? आई ट्राई टू लर्निंग JS and I know Python till DEF. Okay, what should I do to become skilled in this year only? Build projects, practice, and also build in public. Build in public will help you a lot. See, build in public gets you attention, and then use that attention to grow your network. And once your network grows, either get into a startup or try to use your network to get a job. But I will still recommend you try to get into a college, because especially in India, without college degree it is a bit difficult to get a job. Okay, and college also gives a lot of exposure as well, so don't miss out on college. That's my recommendation. Okay, got you. Good luck. Thank you Aman Bhatt, thanks a lot man. Himanshu, Discord में कहाँ है? Discord में resource channel I have pinned it actually, and you can find it in the resource channel. Bro, best language for Gen AI learning? Python. Stephen, there aren't much vacancies for data science now, bro. Most roles are AI engineer oriented. Yeah, AI engineer roles are lots of AI engineer role is there, and data science is actually quite a senior role, to be honest. Like as a complete fresher, it's a bit difficult to get a job as a data scientist, because once you have at least 2 years or 3 years of industry experience, then you can get data science job. Akash, hello Akash, welcome to the stream. But going for startup, try to learn Golang, better resource management. Okay, got it. Pharonix, how to find your syllabus in Discord? I don't know how to use Discord. Okay, if you see, if you go to Discord, in Discord, where is it? In Discord, here you will find the resources part, and here you can see in the pinned message part, you can find this. Like you can find these, and then here only if you scroll up, you will find that syllabus also. Where is it? Backend engineering syllabus. You can find it here. So yeah. Okay, this thing is done. So after this auth controller, we are doing the set cookies part. Okay. Again, let's delete everything. Cookies. So this cookies that we are setting here right now, if I go to here, performance application, here we don't have anything. Okay, so localhost 3000, and here let's delete the user again. Delete the user again. Delete these, and here also. Okay, we have this. Now let's try again. If I do this, continue with Google, this, continue. Okay, here what do we have? Do we have anything? No. Okay, session storage, extension, index db cookies. Here do we have anything? No. Okay, no cookies. Okay, what about Mary? Okay, nothing here. We have to go to application. Okay, so here we are not getting the cookies. Okay, because before we have to give a callback as well, right? We have to give a callback. Like we have to now redirect it. Just a sec. If I go here. Hey bro, what's up? Hello Adonis, welcome to the stream. Blasty boy. Bro, I have interest in Java backend, so how to find jobs for it as a fresher? See, as a fresher, I will suggest you before, see, to be very honest, if you do your own research as well, you will find that for Java and Spring Boot developer, jobs are there, but it is for senior developers. Like at least 2 years of experience are required. They will mention that as Java developer, right? So what you can do is, if you are actually interested in Java and you want to get a job as a Java developer, so before applying for a job, maybe try to do 1 or 2 internships. एसएल विक्रम भाई, तुम्हें गूगल आर्केड का नाम सुना है? वो करना सही रहेगा. यूट्यूब में सब बोलते रहते हैं कि कर लो, अच्छा है. व्हाट इज गूगल आर्केड? आई हैव नेवर हर्ड ऑफ इट. ब्रो, व्हाट आर द मेन थिंग्स टू प्रिपेयर फॉर मैंग लेवल कंपनीज? Did DSA and system design, because DSA will, and also your own network, because see, lots of people will not tell you this, but referrals play a major role in getting a call from FANG companies or MANG companies. Why? Because referral helps you to get the interview call, and then to clear the interviews you have to be very good in DSA, like very good in DSA, and also in system design. Okay, bro, why don't you use the Brave as your primary browser? Any specific reason to use it? Actually, I have not set up Brave yet, that's why. Like Brave is installed. Okay, artificial aperture. Abhishek, what myth about AI field you see faken? Like AI will replace everybody. No, AI, see, as a software developer, AI can write code. There's no doubt about that. But still, you need to have that software architecture knowledge so that you can plan the software properly. So yeah. Okay, we have this. Okay. Paste this, and now phase 13. I have done this one. Paste it here. Paste it here, and after this one, where is it? Here. ऐसा है विक्रम, वो एक्चुअली गूगल क्लाउड का कुछ है, वहाँ पे टास्क रहेगा कोडिंग का, उनको करना होगा, जितना ज़्यादा पॉइंट्स होगा उतना रिवॉर्ड्स मिलेगी, बट आई डोंट नो इट्स रियली वर्थ इट. मैंने चेकआउट, ओके, लाइक इट साउंड्स इंटरेस्टिंग बट आई डोंट नो लाइक व्हाट इंप्रेशन इट क्रिएट्स. मे बी it can help you to create your credibility, but I think credibility is the main thing, to be honest. We have this, and here if I go, put this here, fine, excellent. Phase 4 is actually very simple, small. If you have designed previous, yes, then we are just setting the cookies. Yeah, this we have done, this we have done, this we have done. Okay, this we have already done. Secure production, same side lags. Why lags? Hold on, here it is showing lags, but here we have made it strict. Oh, that's why. Okay, got it. Why lags? Okay, that's why we were not seeing the cookie. We have to make it lags here. Lags, lax. Here it should be set cookies. It should be lags. Lags, and clear cookies also make it lags. Okay, and okay. So if I go here, and we have this, delete. Do we have anything? No. Okay, no. Now let's try it again. If I go here, we have this, and here also we have this. Okay, npm run dev backend, npm run dev front end. सारथी, एस एल विक्रम, वही लाइक गूगल क्लाउड सीखने के लिए. अच्छा, Phoronix, do you know React Native? Basics of React Native, simple, like basic. I just know the basics. Blasty, bro, best channel for learning full stack development. There are lots of channel like Chayar Code YouTube channel, Code with Harry YouTube channel, Piyush Gar YouTube channel. Like these channels are good for MERN stack development. If you are from Java background, then Telusco or EmbarkX YouTube channel. And Python ke liye I have to research actually. Okay, we have this. Fine. And if I go here, localhost 3000, and we have this, continue, this, continue. Fine, we got this. Did we get anything? Nothing. Anything? Nothing. Okay, fine. Karthi, hi bro, I just uploaded my project on GitHub for first time. You definitely visit that at the end and give me some. So yeah, once today's development session is done, then I'll review it. Okay, so we are not getting the cookies. Fine. Akash, in VS Code, use this database client for JDBC and set up Postgres much lighter in PG admin, also convenient. Okay. Okay, got it. If I go here, localhost, see, cookies are not getting set even after doing lags. Hold on. Okay. We are getting this. Fine. Lags. Google perform top level redirect back to your app. Yeah, this is required. We have to send the user back to front end. Verify refresh endpoint. After auth login, post. It works. Response, temporary response. Okay. Security check. A production wall response should look like this. Data access token. Yeah, we are doing this. Fine, we have this. Now we have to redirect it to front end. So this also is done. Now we have to redirect. We have to create a redirect endpoint. Right. So before we do this, before we create the redirect endpoint, Akash just subscribed. Hello Akash, welcome to the stream and thanks for subscribing to this channel. We have this, okay? Fine. Hey man, hello Charon05, welcome to stream Charon05. Okay, we have this one. And in front end, see, what I want is once I click on continue with Google, and once after logging in, I need to redirect it to a dashboard. That's what I want. The true Jew नौकरी कब कर रहा है? मैंने नौकरी छोड़ी है. I had a job. I left my job 4 months ago. I don't want to like. I have done my job. I am not interested in it anymore. I want to build my own startup. So that's my goal. नौकरी मेरी थी, मैंने नौकरी छोड़ दी. तो अब my goal is to build my own startup. Okay, so we have this. Akash, you need to set the cookies in front end. Yeah, like that's what we need to do. Hold on. So right now we have this. So inside app, let's create an endpoint called dashboard. Dashboard, and inside dashboard, let's create a page.tsx, and here we can call it RAFC. Okay, RAFC, and let's call it dashboard page. We have this, and this is called the dashboard page, and make this, yeah, okay, this is fine. We have this. So now if I go here, we can simply do dashboard and we'll go to that page. Yeah, we are going here. Okay, literally जो मेरे को भी लेना है स्टार्टअप में. Okay, I am Dadul Haq. Hello, I'm Dadul Haq. Welcome to the stream. Which tool do you use to track your syllabus after completing each topic? I want to upload my backend syllabus phase wise and then mark topic as completed with small notes. Please give a short demo. Actually, I use Notion, and here I've created my own, like doing my own research and using AI. I have created a syllabus that covers all the topics that we must know as a backend developer. Like it has all the topics. That's what we are doing. Like we have complete aggregation in SQL. No, okay, in SQL you have to do that. OAuth is almost done. Google login is almost done. Like after today, I think this and this will be done. Okay. So the CSRF, secure headers, connection pooling and denormalization, payment workflows, session storage, distribute cache. Okay. Signed URL logging. We have to understand logging as well. Okay, interesting. So now let's do this. So here we have this. Sharana, what do you usually do during breaks between learning session? I end up getting lost in doom scrolling. Actually, if you see my stream, during my stream, I don't take any breaks. I like, even if I take break, I drink water and I read chat. That's what I do in break. And during off stream, if I code, I don't take break. I code for 2 to 3 hours continuously, and then I don't code. That's what I do. Okay, thanks. Welcome, bro. I'm Dadul Haq. Welcome, man. Fine. Let's see. Okay, we go here, and then after this, let's go for this one. Redirect to front end. redirect to front end. Redirect to front end. Phase 15. Okay. Akash, how many years of experience you have? Working experience, I have only 1 year. I worked in a company, then I left my job 4 months ago. I was working as a Spring Boot developer in a service-based company, then I left my job. Excellent. Phase 15 is the final piece that turns your OAuth implementation to real user experience. At this point, you already have done the hard work. Okay. Now the user is already authenticated. Now you need to decide where should the browser go next. Okay, the browser currently sitting here, correct? That's your API server. Okay. बीरस गेमिंग, हेलो बीरस गेमिंग, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम. भाई क्लॉड टोकन पूरा एग्जॉस्ट हो जाता है एक दो प्रॉम्प्ट में. कौन सा टूल करूँ? चैट जीपीटी गो वर्जन उतना अच्छा नहीं है. बस as Claude Core, please help me. See, I understand this is the main reason why I don't get habituated using AI coding agents, because I know that like once if you have a lot of money, then obviously you can pay for the tokens all the time. But if you have limited resources, then if you get habituated to AI coding agents, then it can get a little difficult for you. So what I do is I use GPT to guide me like basic layouts, because I know the basics pretty well, right? I know basics of backend development, basics of merge stack and all those things, and pern stack and all, right? So that is why GPT actually works well for me, because it just gives me simple snippets, and then I understand and try to join the pieces of puzzle and try to implement it myself. That's what I do. Anup Jha, which VS Code theme are you using? I'm using a theme called Catpuccino. Akash, get the data from API and just set the cookies by doing this document.cookies. Okay. The browser is currently sitting on this. The production pattern bad. Okay. Fine. Redirect to front end. Environment variables. Front end URL. We have this. Later. Okay. Validate environment variable. Front end URL. Okay. So if I go here, not this one. Backend, front end, env.sample. What do we have? We have the front end URL. We have this front end URL. Yep. Okay. And then in my config, src config, env config, redirect URL, front end. Yes, I have the front end URL. Okay. Fine. हर्षु एक्सप्लेन्स, वेलकम टू स्ट्रीम. हर्षु एक्सप्लेन्स. हेलो भाई, नमपाई पांडास हो गया. अब नेक्स्ट बताओ क्या करूं. नमपाई पांडास हो गया ना. अब एक काम करो, गो टू यूट्यूब, गो टू कैंपस एक्स यूट्यूब चैनल. अरे भाई ऐड में क्यों क्लिक कर देता हूं यार मैं. गो टू कैंपस एक्स यूट्यूब चैनल, गो टू प्लेलिस्ट, go to playlist, and after this complete this 100 days of machine learning playlist. Complete this. This is one of the, like, isse what will happen, your entire machine learning concepts will be cleared, right? So after this, understand the machine learning playlist, complete this machine learning playlist, then try to build projects. Then after this, complete this 100 days of deep learning playlist. Where is it? 100 days of deep learning playlist. Complete this 100 days of deep learning playlist. And see, you don't have to give 100 days. You can actually watch these videos at 2x speed. That's what I do. Then you can go for this 100 days of deep learning playlist. Done. Then after deep learning, build projects. Then after that, do this introduction to PyTorch, because PyTorch will help you to build like neural nets in a production grade manner. Because if you want to join a company like Cold Eye, hello Cold Eye, welcome to the stream. Thanks for what is the name? Cold Eye. Hello Cold Eye, welcome to the stream, and thanks for subscribing to this channel. So after that, complete this practical deep learning playlist with PyTorch, because PyTorch will help you to actually any production grade system, we use framework. So PyTorch is actually a Python based framework that helps you build neural nets really fast and in a really good manner, right? So whatever knowledge you gain from that deep learning playlist, use that knowledge to, like, after that, follow this playlist of introduction to PyTorch, complete this playlist, build projects, and then after that, depending on it, either you can go with, after this you can understand transformers, or you can understand, like, before transformer also get into NLP, then get into transformers. Yo bro, what's up? Hello Supreme DS, welcome to the stream brother, how are you? Akash, you can use something like OpenCode to use AI models for free. With AI agents, you need to be good on reviewing. So yes, exactly. With AI coding agents, you have to be very good in reviewing the code. And yes, I have to check out OpenCode actually. Harshu explain, like SQL, Fast API, Flask वगैरह भी होते हैं ना, वो करना है. See, it depends in what is your interest. If you are interested in full stack development with Python, then you can go with Fast API. Like after NumPy Pandas, you can get into Fast API. But if you want to get into AI/ML part, I will suggest the route that I told you right now. Osprey, hello Osprey, welcome to the stream. Which AI tool you use for creating roadmaps for developing projects and how you prompt them? Actually, I like whenever I try to learn anything, I write a very detailed prompt and I use AI to write this prompt. First, I tell AI that I want to learn these topics and I want to, like, these are my goals for learning these topics. And then I tell AI to write the prompt. Then I use this prompt to create the entire roadmap. Okay. Aditya Gaming. Hello Aditya, welcome to the stream. Bro, I'm losing my coding skills. Why? Well, like, what is happening? Are you not practicing enough? Like, have you lost touch? What is going on? Okay, so now we have to redirect. Okay, we have this front-end URL, okay. Validate environment variable, done. This is also done. This is also done. Never okay, done. Where should you redirect? Option 1, auth success, recommended. HTTP localhost 3000 auth success. Option 2, yeah, this dashboard we are going to go for this dashboard part. Controller responsibility, redirect HTTP concerns. Therefore, controller redirect service does not. Correct, auth service returns the result. Kernel said redirect. Okay, current controller, you probably have this. Okay, replace response with res.redirect. Okay, res.redirect. Interesting. res.redirect. 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 Okay. Frontend then calls auth me. Okay. Fine. We have this one. Harshu, thanks. And bro, how to be active on GitHub while learning ML and DL? Whenever you are trying to learn anything or whenever you are trying to code something, push your code every single day. Can you share the prompt, like pin them? If you do, I have shared my prompt in my Discord server. You can join my Discord server. The link to my Discord server is in the description of the stream. Aditya Gaming, I'm using Cursor every day. I just changed the code. It just changes the code. I'm not even doing on my own, just testing all the time, and after code changes my Cursor, bro, I feel sad day by day. Actually, Aditya, I understand what you're going through. That's why I don't use AI coding agents, because AI coding agents will write the code, will build everything. But if you are especially if you're trying to learn something, then I will not suggest you using AI coding agents. You can take help from AI to teach yourself the way I'm doing it, but don't use AI coding agents to write the code. Because see, for example, if your goal is to build a startup or build your own SaaS, then you can use AI coding agents. There's nothing wrong in that, because it makes your development process really fast, right? But if you're trying to learn something, then don't use AI coding agents. Wajaha, is there any difference between Python programming used in AI/ML and data analytics? If yes, then which type of Python is suitable for beginners, and how many types of Python programming are available? Actually, there's no such thing as types of Python programming. It's just that when it comes to data analysis and all, we use NumPy and Pandas a lot, because NumPy and Pandas are a way of processing your data, loading your data. Like Pandas are used to load your data into a data frame. Then you do some Python operations, NumPy operations on your data. Then you use Seaborn or some other graph libraries or using Python. Then you see the patterns in those data. Then you try to transform the data. You do normalization in that data, standardization in that data. Then if you do feature engineering as well. So in these type of things, you basically don't use core Python. You use NumPy, Pandas, PyTorch a lot. But if you're coming from full stack development route, then you will use core Python logic, like processing data, like dictionaries and all. You will use those things a lot. Supreme TS, I came to know about CJP and ongoing protest in India yesterday. What is the progress up to now? Actually, I'm not following it much, but the thing is, like, it's all related to the Indian education system. There are lots of unfortunate things that is happening in the Indian education system, and people are trying to protest against it. So let's see, like, if this protest helps us to bring good things, or it is just a propaganda. Like, we cannot say anything without knowing all the details. So let's see what we get. But the main reason is education system of India. Did you review the 4 V's in engineering? What is the 4 V's in engineering? Okay. सुमीत, हेलो सुमीत, हेलो भाई, अभी सेकेंड सेम में हूँ और कोर CSE चूज़ की है, लेकिन कोडिंग में बिल्कुल इंटरेस्ट नहीं आ रहा, एंड एग्ज़ाम में बाकी सब्जेक्ट्स अच्छे जा रहे हैं एक्सेप्ट प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज. हाउ डू आई इम्प्रूव? सी द बेस्ट वे टू improving in programming language is to code in that programming language. What you can do is you can try to solve DSA questions in that particular programming language. It will help you a lot. Akash, use auto complete feature. Use that. Okay, actually I don't want to use this GitHub Copilot wala thing where it give me auto complete feature, because it gets me habituated to writing code with AI, and then it gets exhausted. Then I will eventually want to buy it, so I somehow become a consumer. So I try to stay away from consumerism as much as possible. I only want to consume something if it's absolutely necessary. Okay. Aditya, hello Aditya, welcome to stream. New here on your stream, 36 days. Can you summarize what all things have you done till now, for context? Okay, like in these 36 days, in we are doing phase-wise development. In phase 1, we learnt about dependency injection, dependency inversion topics. Then in phase 2, we understood about DB databases, database bottlenecks. Then we understood about rate limiting, caching. Phase 2 and phase 3, we learned about these things. Then in phase 4, we are trying to understand about advanced authentication, authorization. We learned about role-based access control. We have almost implement Google OAuth. Then later on, we are going to understand how to protect our login and logout endpoints. So that's the main thing. Beetle Gaming, hello Beetle Gaming, welcome to the stream. OSPray, where can I find the prompts? In which section I have joined the server? In the resources section, like in the resources channel, you will find the prompts. Like I have pinned it. Beetle, hello bro, what is the cybersecurity career in the init market? Actually, I don't have much knowledge about cybersecurity. Dinesh, hello Dinesh, welcome to the stream. I have learned Stack by seeing tutorials, but not able to understand how to build projects. I can copy a project and keep it in my resume and explain it in the interview. You see, that will help you to impress the interviewer. But if you want to be good in development, then I will suggest that after watching the tutorial, whatever you have learned from the tutorial, use that knowledge to build something simple like a to-do application or blog application. As you said, for learning, we have to code. I did for Python with ML and Gen AI for 6 months now. But the situation is, in multi-agents, one agent is building another agent. Okay. I have to, can you give me context, Aditya? Supreme, DeepSeek's V4's engineering. Let's see, DeepSeek V4. Let's see. Where is V4? How can I access it? Okay, hi Abhishek, Being Olympian. Hello Being Olympian, welcome to the stream. Hi bro, I'm currently working on project management tool, and this is my first full stack project using Stack. I code by myself and use AI for architecture. What will you suggest me? Okay, that's actually a good way to learn, because AI will help you to understand the architecture and then you are coding it all by yourself. That's a very good practice. And I would suggest that try to level up step by step. Don't try to get into complex topics directly. I will suggest go with, like first type simple projects, then eventually level up to complex projects. Akash, use Open Router to access DeepSeek V4 on or Open Code. Okay, got it. I'll check it out. Okay, fine. We have this. Close this. How does Open Router provide free API? Yes, Open Router provides a free API tier that allows you to access various AI models without requiring upfront payment. Okay. Rate limits. Okay. To get started, okay. Let's see Open Router. Open Router. Where's the pricing section? How is the pricing here? Free 25 plus free models, 4 free providers. Chat and API active. Okay. What else? Management API key. Pay as you go. Pay as you go. Okay. Nice. I'll get into this later. We have this. Okay, build success page. Auth app auth success. Okay, this is fine. Fetch user auth me credentials true. Okay, fetch user. Phase 1, login with Google. One improvement I make, instead of hard coding this, create a helper. Success redirect URL. Approach A. I have created a dashboard slash page.tsx in front end. Front end app dashboard page.tsx, this one. Okay, so here let's create auth controller, backend, src modules, auth controller, set cookies, and instead of this data result, hold on, instead of this I want to redirect it. Then where will I get the token, login token? Hold on. So auth controller. Okay, best backend channel बताओ, 4 को YouTube channel. Okay, it will help you so much. Thanks Akash, thanks a lot man. Anime, hello Anime, welcome to the stream. Hey bro, what do you think about which language is better for quants, finance, Python or C++? Python, MATLAB helps a lot in making trading chart. See, Python is good for all the resources that is available, and C++ will give you advantage when it comes to speed, because C++ sits very close, like C++ can access the hardware and memory as well. So C++ will actually execute the code faster, but Python will have lots of resources. So development with Python will be easier, but C++ will, if you can pull out C++, quant development with C++, it will give you advantage of speed. फेरोनिक्स, कोई वेब सीरीज देख रहे हो क्या? अभी तो नहीं देख रहा कुछ. आकाश, you need to create the redirection in the front end once you get the OAuth. Okay. Wajah, yes, I have to do that. So should I start from Python programming used in okay. Python programming using AIML, since I'm starting my coding journey, but I'm not interested in data analytics. Also suggest me YouTube resource. See, for AIML, you can, the best YouTube resource is Campus X YouTube channel, and yeah, you can learn Python. वॉट नेम हियर भाजी भाई जी मेरे सॉकेट का सवाल क्या था आपका सवाल वापस पूछो सुप्रीम डी एस डीप सी V4 uses a massive mixture of experts architecture with hybrid sparse attention and advanced expert routing activating only a small fraction of its trillion plus parameter but oh nice world is moving so fast bro as I took 6 months to get ML and Gen AI and now AI agents world I feel like I am so back see don't think that you are back it's all about how you can teach yourself see in this tech field and all na the most important thing is are you able to teach yourself properly or not supreme so simply achieving high performance at lower cost okay nice where do I learn WebSockets from to build good chat application first I think you can learn WebSockets from a six pack programmer YouTube channel or you can learn from Piyush Garg YouTube channel you can also learn it from Chair Code YouTube channel there are lots of resources out in YouTube Gopa Kumar bro what are the advanced React project.js Next.js is important see Next.js is important like before Next.js get into React and see advanced React is see React is quite simple advanced React may be something like you integrate motion in your React application and all these things so see React is very simple actually hello bhaiya hello Tectonic Baba welcome to the stream Shubham Mohanty, bro, how is the demand for data engineering? See, demand is there, but data engineering is a bit like if you have already been into the industry, you have 2 years experience, then you can get a job easily as a data engineer. You tell Chai code for backend best channel. Yes, because I learned backend from there only, from that backend playlist that is available. The most cheapest LLM which has Opus 4.0 level performance is Mimo. Oh, nice. Okay. What is WWDC? Let's see. What is WWDC? WWDC. What is this? What is WWDC? Let's see. WWDC. Or WWDC 2026. Keynote event live updates. Oh, Apple develop. Oh, got it. कैसे हो मैं बढ़िया आप कैसे हो टेक्टोनिक बाबा हेलो स्पेस वेलकम टू स्ट्रीम what do you think about free code camp channel they have all coding yes free code camp is actually one of the like it's an amazing channel I in my Discord server I recently shared a Docker course from free code camp I shared that in my Discord server like 7 hours free Docker course like what else can a person ask for okay okay set cookies okay the user flow becomes but there's one important thing okay directly use client this auth me I am using Axios. Okay. This, close this. Auth, login a user, register a user, login a user, access token. We are getting this access token, get logged in user. Getting this, okay. But the question is if we are doing just a sec. Suggest best free software for development. Like what kind of development? Use a variable for base URL in your postman. Yeah, like I wanted to do that, uh, but I did not set it up yet. So like I have learned Python, basic like pandas, numpy, matplotlib, SQL basic. Now I want to learn C++ for quants, finance. What do you think? Like, should I continue Python? See, right now you have learned a lot in Python. I will suggest stick with Python. Get into basics of quant development with Python. Then later you can switch to C++, and then you can learn advanced topics there. शुभम सिंह भैया जावा आता है बेस्ट, जावा आता है बेसिक्स फॉर बेसिक्स फ्रॉम ब्रो कोड, अब आएगा क्या? सीखो एक बार. अगर जावा आता है देन यू कैन लर्न स्प्रिंग बूट फ्रॉम टेलीस्को यूट्यूब चैनल. टिल हाउ मेनी आर यू विल डू स्ट्रीमिंग, वॉट यू वुड यू गेट डिस्ट्रैक्टेड? I don't know, man. Like it depends. Once today's development like topics are completed, then we'll go into other topics. Like, or maybe we'll end these. Let's see. It depends. Okay. Res.redirect. Let's comment it. Let's not delete it. Comment it here. Res.redirect. And here we are getting this dollar env dollar env dot frontend url slash dashboard. Okay, fine. Okay, what about access token? For current page read only this, using a refresh cookie based session approach piece store access on cookie too. It's not necessary for current architecture. Let's see what is happening here. If I go and restart the server, this continue with Google, this continue. So yeah, we are getting redirected, but now we need to check if the user is logged in or not. I am back. Welcome back. Let's focus. भाई मॉर्न की डिमांड है फ्रेशर के लिए. हाँ, फ्रेशर के लिए तो काफ़ी है. कैन यू सजेस्ट सम गुड रिसोर्सेज फॉर डेटा इंजीनियरिंग? फॉर डेटा इंजीनियरिंग, सी आई नो अबाउट AIML, but data engineering I don't know, man. Yash Mishra, Rosa violets are blue, job market is so crap, then always say shoo. Roadmap SH is good. Yes, roadmap SH is good. Like I am also using it to get basic topics that I need to cover. I understand like all of these topics I learned from this roadmap.sh only. Aditya, I'm good at Angular and .NET, so I will stick to that. Master Azure CI/CD, improve my skills with AI. Is that good option for me? Yes, it's a good option. And see, .NET is used a lot in the industry. Gurveer, yo, what's up? Hello, Gurveer, welcome to the stream. Shubham Singh, भैया no Java. अब बैक बट अब आगे एज ए बैकएंड इंजीनियर क्या एंड कहाँ से सीखूँ? कोई रिसोर्स? Campus X YouTube channel, not Campus X, sorry, Embark X for Java developers. If anybody is interested in like is a Java developer, you can go to Embark X YouTube channel. It's a very good YouTube channel for all the Java developers. Like Spring Boot is covered properly here. Also, you can, if you want more resource, you can go to Telesco YouTube channel. You will find lots of resources related to Spring Boot here. So yeah, you can go for this one as well. Bro, is DSA worth it? See, DSA helps you to get a hold of that, like get a command or over your programming language as well. It builds your logic building as well. So if if your goal is to get into a product based company, then yes, DSA is important. Okay, Gopa, which has more job openings in current scenario? Backend, Node.js, Django, or Spring Boot. Node.js and Django has more openings for fresher. See, Spring Boot has lots of job openings as well, but it is for senior engineers. At least 2 years experience is required. Have you done any AI/ML model making? Yes, I have done. Okay, we have this. So right now we need to check. Axios from Axios, and here we have to make it like this, and here we are going to use dollar next public backend URL. Use this here. Shubham Singh, just thank you, Shubham Singh. Thanks for subscribing to the channel and welcome to the stream. Okay, have you okay? Darshan, Darsh, Darsh Desai, bro. Why the DS is so hard, dude? See, it's not hard. It's about like if you have a strong hold in a programming language, it will help you. Process.env, process.env.this set auth. What the hell is this set user? Yeah, this set user. Okay. Raja Shekhar. I am working in banking domain. Gaurav Mondal. Hello, Gaurav Mondal. Thanks for subscribing to the channel and welcome to the stream. Okay. Okay. But slightly inclined towards tech. What do you suggest? My current CD is 20 to 25. Okay. Domain. Okay. I will suggest go with Golang or Java. What are you building right now? Like we are trying to implement. See, Google OAuth is almost done. Google OAuth is almost done. Right now we are working on the redirect URL. Like after logging in from Google, we have to redirect our user to the dashboard page. Okay. Indrajit Singh. Hello Indrajit, welcome to say. Hey bro, what I thought is that I have done Amon now. We'll do DSA with C++, DSA, then do Python due to Python demand, or should I go with Forge? See, I will not suggest you to learn Python, then Java. You already know Mon stack, right? You can do C++ for DSA. Then I will suggest you stick with Mon stack, build complex projects. Like when you are, don't try to learn 10 different tech stack, stick to one and build complex projects. Like try to build a YouTube clone, like not just UI clone. I'm talking about a full stack YouTube clone where you are streaming YouTube videos. You are implementing that all the YouTube advanced topics. Try to do that. Try to build a Uber clone, like full stack Uber clone. Then try to implement a video calling app. Like if you can build this kind of this level of projects, then you can easily get a job in a startup, in a well-funded startup as well that can pay you salary as well. Okay. Indrajit Singh, really gem bro. Stops coding and help. Oh, thanks a lot, man. Thanks a lot, Indrajit. Aditya Kumar, bro, please review. You can drop the link in the Discord server. Once today's development session is done, then I'll review the projects. With Python programming, DSA is important. If yes, suggest any YouTube resource. NeetCode YouTube channel, NeetCode, NEETCode, NeetCode YouTube channel. Okay. Fine. This is happening. Window.href, window location stuff. Okay. auth.me. And here what are we getting? Data dot response dot data. Hold on. Response dot data dot data. Okay, we have user. Then we have here user data dot. Actually, it should be user here. Data dot see response dot data is this entire thing. Then data dot user. Then we have the not here get logged in user response dot data. Okay, no. Response dot data dot data only. Response dot data dot data. Okay. Now let's see what we get. If I go here, continue with Google. This continue. Okay. What issue happened here? Let's see. Console.log error. Here. I think I know what the error is because we're not getting the access to the access token, right? That is the issue. Cannot read property, not reading ID. Hold on. Response.data.id. Okay. Hold on. So we have this. Close 3000. This. Go here. This. Continue. Me. See here we're getting the me issue. Cannot find auth/me. Okay, we have to check what is. Oh, wrong endpoint actually. Wrong endpoint. Slash API slash v1 slash auth. v1 slash auth.me. Okay, now let's check what we get. Localhost 3000. Do this, continue. Let's see me. Yeah, authentication required because we are not passing the bearer token, right? So we need to pass the access token. Like here in header we have to pass the access token. Okay. Kiran Shah. Hello Kiran Shah, welcome to stream. Bro, I know Monstack answer. That's good. If you know Monstack, then start building complex projects now. With Python programming, DS is important. Okay. Okay. And don't get the entry level jobs and stop coding for 1 week, seeing no future in software engineering. Actually, the thing is, if you just need to keep applying on, also you have to see. Just by learning Monstack, you will not get a job. You have to build good level projects because off-campus competition is very high, especially in Monstack, right? So because Monstack is easy to learn, that's why the competition is high. Secondly, you have to build good level projects, like projects that actually look like products and not just simple blog application, e-commerce application. No, you have to build something like a product. Like for example, try to build products that you actually use. For example, if you're using Twitter, try to build your own version of Twitter, like not complex, like not too complex, like a MVP of a Twitter. Then try to build the MVP of a YouTube channel, like or like of a YouTube clone. Then try to build the MVP of a Uber, MVP of a video calling app, MVP of Google Meet. If you can pull off this kind of projects and you can showcase these projects in your resume and also do build in public, if you can do these two things, then it is easier to get a job. Okay. Dinesh, I'm stuck in tutorial loop. Not able to understand what to do. Just keep forgetting the topics which I learned before. See, the best way to get out of tutorial hell is to first watch a tutorial from start to end, code along with the tutorial. And then once the tutorial is done, don't ever watch the tutorial again. Whatever knowledge you have gained by watching that tutorial, use that knowledge to build something of your own, like something really simple first. Try to build a to-do application first without watching any tutorial or without using any help. Like if you face errors, try to use AI to teach yourself how to debug errors, but try to understand the code base. Interrupted coder. Thanks, interrupted coder. Welcome to the stream, and thanks for joining this channel, and thanks for subscribing, man. Okay, bro, 6.3 CGPA, BCA pass out. Can I get a job in IT field? I mean, eligible ही हूँगा. हाँ, off campus में CGPA does not matter. I have 5 years career gap after my education. What are the challenges we'll face to get interview? I am currently learning Monstack now. See, with 5 years of gap, it is a bit difficult to get into those big service-based companies, because service-based companies का बहुत नाटक होता है. Try to get into startups, or try to get into well-funded startups, and try to get remote jobs in well-funded startups. Okay. So the thing is, see, when we are redirecting, we are not passing the access token. Then how we are going to use it? That is the main issue. Okay, let's create a new chat here. This is my code. This is my backend code. Let's close this, go here. First give the backend code src modules auth controller auth.controller.ts auth.service auth.service.ts auth.repository.ts. okay, this is done. Then auth.route auth.route.ts. okay, then let's give the OAuth part. Close this. OAuth. This is my OAuth.controller.ts. okay, then OAuth.service, then OAuth.service.ts, OAuth.service, OAuth.helper. Hold on. All straight cookies. Okay, copy this. OAuth.helper.ts. okay. Hey bhai, what's up? Hello Code with Abhay, welcome to the stream. How are you? Roman Reigns. Hello Roman Reigns, welcome to the stream. Bro, how much should I know to get a decent IT job? How much you should know? See, the thing is, it's a very, like, there's this saying, you will never reach a point where you can say you know everything. So the question is, how much you know is not the right question. I think you should learn about how much you should know that makes you feel confident that you can get a job. For example, if you are trying to get a job as a full stack developer, your goal should be to understand full stack development end to end. Understand backend systems, understand front end, understand authentication, understand databases, understand database bottlenecks, understand caching, rate limiting, all these things. And then apart from this also, there are 10,000 different topics, right? So it is not possible to learn everything, but you should be able to teach yourself anything. That's the thing, right? So for that, maybe you can start with project based learning. For example, you can pick one project and you can try to build something, and then while building you will learn new things. Okay, by today I got offer letter for TCS Digital 7.1. Oh, congratulations Code with Abhay, congrats man. I hope you do well, and all the best for your future, man. Okay, Shubham Mohanty, can you suggest some good resource for data engineering? Also, does SD or senior are doing the jobs of data engineering? See, data engineering is actually a senior role, to be honest, because as a fresher you can understand data engineering concepts really well, but to get a job, if you can do your own research, you will find that for data engineering job roles, at least 2 years of experience they are asking for, right? So data engineering is actually a senior engineer role, to be honest. But unfortunately on YouTube people don't say that because they want to maybe sell courses or anything, but that's fine. But I think transparency should be there. And if you want to get into data engineering, good resource can be, see, data engineering. In data engineering you have to understand feature engineering, you have to understand how to extract data, scrape data, how to shape data. Then for that, I think in Campus X there's a YouTube channel called Campus X. There you will find a data engineering playlist. Hold on, I'll check. Campus X, and in playlist I think you will find data. Let's see, data engine, feature engineering we have. Okay, see, data engineering, I don't know a good resource because I'm not into data engineering much. So yeah. Thank you so much. Welcome, Code with Abhay. You look good today. Thanks, brother. Thanks a lot. Rojil, update on SaaS. Development of the SaaS is done. We are waiting for the business registration part, and the thing is that for that lots of paperwork is going on, and I have to update my PAN card and Aadhaar card photo, because in my photo, like मेरे बचपन का photo है, lots of documentation is going on. Only then we can launch it. If data engineering is not for fresher, then what's the back door to get into? Maybe the back door to get into it is you can get into internships first. Try to get an internship as a backend data engineer. Aditya Kumar, bro, if I'm in AI engineering field, do I need to know web dev, or I can use AI to build UI? If you are into AI engineering, you should know basics of web dev, because like, see, using AI to build UI is fine, but as a AI engineer, you should be able to know a bit of web dev. Swastik Singh, hello Swastik Singh, welcome to the stream, brother. How to get my first internship on full stack development? See, the best way to get a full stack internship is, first you have to build very good projects. Like that's you cannot negotiate with that. You have to build good level projects, and you have to do build in public. Like what you can do is you can go to Twitter. I use Twitter a lot, and you can post on Twitter every single day, like what you are building, how you are building it, right? Just a sec. So yeah, so you can post about what you are building, how you are building it every single day, grow your network, and then build good projects. Then build a strong resume, and in your resume make sure you deploy those projects and provide a deployed link in your resume. Then start applying into startups, because startups are the best way to get into the industry, because startups do need developers, and startups are looking for interns a lot. So try to contact startups, try to directly, never use, like I don't like LinkedIn and all. Skull Trainer, hello Skull Trainer, welcome to the stream, and thanks for subscribing to this channel. So what you can do is to get, for example, you can do startups, MERN, stack, internships in Bangalore for freshers. Then you will see lots of company listing. Then once you apply, once you make a strong resume, start applying. Just start applying. That's it. After doing like everything that I said. Okay, this is my code. This is my auth helper. After auth helper, what do we have? Auth service. Okay, so we have auth service as well. We have auth service, container not require service. Okay, fine. Auth route. auth.route.ts. Then this is my app.ts. Backend src app.ts. Okay, we have the app.ts as well. App.ts part done. Then this is my front end code. So in front end, what do we have? Front end app page.tsx. This is my page.tsx. Then here we have Google login button. Then here we have Google login button.tsx. Google login button.tsx. Then after this we have this api.ts. api.ts. Okay. Then after this we have dashboard front end app dashboard page.tsx. Okay, here we have dashboard/page.tsx. Okay, so after login with Google, I get this error in my which endpoint? This endpoint, my endpoint, and the error says, what does it say? Network. This authentication required. Okay, let's do login 3000 again. Local 3000, delete this, and then we have this. Bro, क्या build कर रहे हो? Frost Eagle. Hello, Frost Eagle. Welcome to the stream. Today we have almost completed Google OAuth implementation, and see, my main goal is to understand how to implement, like how to build. What were they saying? See, my goal is to understand advanced backend system design, and I'm doing it practically. And right now we are implementing Google OAuth and authentication authorization. Bro, I suggest you to use coding agents, but only for learning purpose. You don't need to build everything by agents. Yes, actually, see, coding agents, I know, like, we can build a lot of things, and when I'm trying to build my SaaS, I do use coding agents. But right now I want to learn about these things, so coding agents can write the code, but then I will not learn anything. Code with Abhay. Whenever I come here, it feels so much energetic, motivation to grow, consistency to maintain, post YT videos, build network, and I do so because of you. Thanks, Abhishek bhai. Welcome, Code with Abhay. Thanks a lot, man. Like, I'm happy that, like, my streams are making you feel happy. Blood Max. Hello, Blood Max. Did your YT monetize? I get an ad while watching. If yes, how much YT pay you? Actually, my YT channel has been monetized, but I have never, like, till now I have not received any payment in my bank account. Thanya Innocent, chilling here with you, bro. Welcome to stream, Thanyan. Welcome to stream, brother. Matul, bro, I'm currently in last year of my BCA. I wanted to pursue MCA, but I'm weak at coding. Is there any job in IT that does not require heavy coding? Yes, there are lots of those. DevOps is there. Then testing is there. Cyber security is there. Cloud computing is there. There are lots of. Then RCM is there. Support is there. Guy with BMW, welcome to stream. People keep asking this, so you can do is just type a message once and pin it in every stream, and at conclusion or ending part of the message add update or current part or goal. Yeah, that's a good point, Guy BMW. You missed my 2 comment. What was your comment, Kiran? Can you tell me again? Oh, bro, Linux, Docker, networking, CI/CD, and no mod. I am confused about doing in-depth backend or DevOps cloud. Which path should I choose? Okay, what's your interest? Like, what you enjoy to do? Skull Trainer, data analysis. Okay, so if you are interested in data analysis, then get into Power BI, get into Python, SQL, Pandas, NumPy, these things. I get this next.js error. Where is it? Next.js error. This one thing I appreciate about Next.js thing. Next.js actually, like, developers on Next.js know that we use lots of internet and code like AI to solve errors. So that's why they have given this copy statement just to copy the error message, right? So I think it's really good. Like they are thinking about how modern developers are building things. So that's nice. Uh, Raja Shekhar, what is your goal in this field? My goal is to build my own startup. That's my goal. Yes, I enjoy both, but the market is stuck, and I want future-proof job. Okay, so if you enjoy both and you want a market for future job, go with DevOps or cloud. Go with that. Guy with BMW. By the way, I talked to my friend. He told me you need a good laptop for AIML, like at least a good GPU, like 5060, and buy HP, Omen, or Acer Predator. But you said I can go with without GPU laptop and decent specs. Confused. See, the thing is, basic AIML you can do it like in laptop that I am going for. But for production, if you want to reach a point where you try to build your own LLM from scratch, then yes, you need a dedicated GPU. You need at least 64 GB RAM for that kind of laptop. Like that kind of you more than laptop, you actually need a good computer at desktop actually for that one. Akshit, hello Akshit, welcome to the stream. Yo bro, YT Beaver 9. Hello YT Beaver 9, welcome to the stream and thanks for subscribing to the channel, man. Yo bro, how are you? I'm currently building a YouTube local video to ASCII converter in Rust. Mainly doing it to get better at Rust and learning more about IMG slash video processing. I'll share it once it's done. Oh, that's a great project, man. That's a good project. Harish, hello Harish, welcome to the stream. Hey bro, I'm in a final year of BCA. So how should I find a good internship in data science AIML? See, data science AIML, I will suggest you project based, project and project. First build projects, do project build in public. Then I think, see, it is a bit difficult to get a job as a complete fresher, especially in data engineering and data analyst kind of field. I will suggest you try to get an internship in startups. Build your resume, build projects, and build in public. Show people your work, and interact with people who are trying to build their own thing. Interact with them, show them what you can do for their company, and then start applying to startups. Kiran, is the company hire software engineer and transition them into work in DevOps? Is the company hire separate role for junior DevOps or not? Actually, see, for junior DevOps, companies actually don't hire junior DevOps. That's what I have seen. They usually get junior developers, then they shift them to DevOps actually. Code with VSK. Hello, Code with VSK. After MERN, Gen AI or system design? After MERN, go with system design because system design will help you to build scalable backend systems. Then Gen AI is actually not so complex, to be honest. So after system design, you can get into Gen AI. Okay, what's happening? User clicks. Okay, backend. Okay, all state sets cookie. Callback. Refresh to set. User gets ready front end. Dashboard loads. Your request contains. Okay. Okay, is missing. Therefore, auth middleware throws authentication required. Okay. Access token login button. Okay, we never send access token to the front. Oh yeah, this was expected. So check your auth middleware. Okay. Then refresh token. Backend returns a new access token. Frontend stores access token memory. Oh, nice. We have this endpoint, refresh access token endpoint. Okay, got it. So what we need is actually we have to send a new access token and then we are going to save it. Okay, fine. Okay, got it. So what we need to do is here. Hold on. The auth refresh token with credentials true. if you're relying cookies anywhere with yeah, okay, fine. Let's drop this one. Let's comment out this one for now. Let's just check const. Let's check here refresh token part. Response, wait, axios dot post refresh token part, right? So for this refresh token, we this refresh token body authorization, this non refresh token part. Let's see, auth refresh token, hold on, like this, await. Const get access token equals await async await async const response equals await axios dot post process dot env dot env. We have here next public, okay, this one, use this slash api slash v1 slash auth slash refresh token. Okay, we are getting this, and after this one we have this, then after this console dot log response dot data. Okay, let's see this one for now, and here also let's just comment this one. Comment this one. Okay, fine. We have this. What is the issue? Hold on, this one, let's just remove it for now. Okay, we have this one. Then after this we have to call it. What is that function called? Get access token function, right? We have to call it this one, get access token. Okay, so now let's try, let's see what we get. Localhost 3000, inspect console, refresh everything and go here. Let's go with network as well, continue with Google. Hello brother, hello Azasa Automation, welcome to the stream. We have this, continue. What are we getting? Refresh token. Refresh token is missing. This is my refresh token logic. I did this in dashboard slash page.tsx. I got this error. The refresh token is missing actually because cookies are not set. And why cookies are not getting set? We have to check that. hold on. There we go. Here I'm getting this. Okay. Change it to with credentials. True. Oh, we have to put with credentials here. Dot post empty, then with credentials true. Okay, without send cookie. Okay, got it. Now let's try it again. We get this, go to network, clear this, continue with Google. We get this, we get this, we get the refresh token, right? We have the refresh token, we got the access token, correct. Nice. Okay, step 1, we are getting the access token here. We're getting the access token, right? Yeah. So yeah, okay. Now this is working. This particular thing is working. Hello NIT Patna, Mahindra, welcome to the stream. Your live stream got recommended into my timeline, exploring your past streams for last 20 minutes. They are really good. Nice to see you, man. By the way, I'm learning Java backend development. Oh, that's nice. Welcome to the stream, NIT Patna, Patna, Mahindra. Welcome to the stream, brother. अनूप, हेलो अनूप भाई, जीआरपीसी यूज़ करने वाले हो क्या? यूट्यूब पे ज़्यादा वीडियोस नहीं है उसके, अगर तुमको आता है तो सिखा दोगे यार नोट.js के साथ. हाँ, like when we use gRPC, like we have to get into gRPC as well. We'll be doing that. जब वो करेंगे तो I'll show in the stream only. Rohil Dev, hello Rohib. Bro, I'm not interested in front end. Can I do backend dev because I like it and ignore full stack? See, the thing is, you can do backend without front end, but test few things right now. Like for example, today we are trying to test our Google OAuth, right? And for this one we have to build a UI because we cannot use Google OAuth in our Postman, right? So that's why you have to do it. Like basic front end थोड़ा सीख लो. I will suggest that. Okay. Ansh, hello Ansh, welcome to stream. Without that, do this whatever you did. Bro, use effect ना use करो, okay? जो मैंने इंजीनियरिंग सीखने आया हूँ, इंजीनियरिंग में बात करो. अच्छा, इंग्लिश, ओके, गॉट इट. देसी, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम. ब्रो, यूज टीआरपीसी, ओके, लाइक आई हैव टू लर्न अबाउट दीज थिंग्स. फैजान मोहम्मद, इंटरनल एपीआईज और प्राइवेट एंड पॉइंट्स यूज जीआरपीसी ऑफन, ओके. Python backend, bhai, Python backend, like currently we are going with JavaScript backend, but if you want to learn Python backend, like in future I will be learning Fast API, but if you want to get into Python backend, I will suggest you either go with Django or Fast API. Bro, use TapStack. What is TapStack? I have to learn about it. Hello Mohammed Mustafa, welcome to the stream. How are you, brother? So basically 24 GB Omen or Predator is not gonna help. I can do with an HP OLN series laptops. See, if you see, those laptops will help you, but even in those kind of laptops, what is the maximum RAM can you get? But the thing is, if you want to reach a point where you want to build your own LLM and all, you have to build a setup like with your, you know, like latest GPUs, like good RAM, at least 32 GB RAM. Use Vim, okay. Bro, Google and use TanStack, it will be fun. Okay, I have to learn about it. I'll try to learn. Rohib, bro, I'm aiming for backend, later wanna add cloud. So why full stack then? For back, see, full stack will help you to build end products, to be honest. Dragon Slayer, hello Dragon Slayer, bro, I'm building this. So is it good for a resume project developing Torvex, an open source AI workspace that integrates multiple LLM providers? Oh, that's a good project. That's a good project. Okay. भाई, मेरे को फुल स्टैक वेब डेवलपमेंट में मर्न स्टैक में इंटर्नशिप चाहिए, कैसे और कौन सा प्लेटफॉर्म में मिल सकता है? build projects. सबसे पहले you have to build projects using Monstack. Build in public, go to Twitter, build in public, post about it every single day. Then after that, try to reach startups, because startups can hire you easily. Ansh, bro, build something cool right now. Okay, like right now I'm trying to learn advanced backend system design. Once this is right now, my goal is to build my own startup as well. Okay, I'm getting you, bro. I will build a better PC for it and have 32 GB RAM in my PC, but I will get better PC. But thing is, right now with Pavilion better than Omen and Predator as they. Okay, nice. Bro, I have some crazy idea. Let's collaborate. Okay, like right now, I'm trying to build my own startup. That's my goal. Rohib, okay, now tell honest, how should I focus 3 to 4 hours straight like you? See, if you want to focus, this kind of focus that I have built, it was not built in one day. It took me years to reach this point where I can focus for next 3 to 4 hours without any distraction, without touching my phone. So for this, I will suggest you first build a strong mindset, and to build a strong mindset, remove all sort of distractions. Distractions can be anything. Remove distractions and stop making excuses. Like for example, if you decide that you will start working on anything at 6 p.m, no matter what happens, you will sit exactly at 6 p.m and work at least for 1 hour. Like start with 1 hour, try to work for 1 hour without any distraction, don't touch your phone, and then do this for 1 or 2 months, then slowly increase your time. Okay, bro, let me answer him about focus. Okay, yeah, you can answer that. Okay, see, we are getting the access token right now. That is cool. Okay, get access token. Nice. Response.data access token. Okay, so what we can do is, here I can make it const access token and make it set access token. Okay, and here we have use state, and access token is actually it will be null, or it will have string or null, and by default it will have null. Okay, and what I can do is, after we get the response, I can do this set access token, and here response.data.access token, right? See, right now we are not focusing on the quality of code in front end, because front end quality code, like, it is not so difficult, but we are trying to do this just to make it work, because our main goal is backend here, right? So set access token. So after we set the access token, then let's call this if access token, then we call this function, this entire function, use this. Use this, copy this. We have this, get current user, and with current user we have to pass here, where is it, this one. We have this, just a sec, kahan gaya? Auth me. Okay, so here after this we have to pass like, how do we pass it? I forgot, just a sec. We have this. Okay, set with credentials to public API URL. Okay. Not this one, maybe this one. Auth me. Okay, this one. Oh yeah, here with credentials. Okay, we have this auth me with credentials. auth me. How was it? Headers, authorization, yeah, like this. Okay, we can do this bearer slash dollar access token. Fine, we have this one, and then after this with, not here, we have this, we are doing get, right? We have this get current user. Okay, hold on. Okay, not here, it should not be here. Hold on. We have this, copy this entirely, remove this, is copy it, not here. If this one we have, this we have, put this here, we're calling the get access token, then we are doing this get current user, we have this, and then we are calling the get current user. Okay, we have this, and header, excuse me, this one, with, why are we not getting it? Okay, we can skip this one for now. Okay, we keep it like this. Then after get current, then we are calling the get current user, right? Okay, so now what we can do is, here we can keep it like this, loading true, and what else, set user, we have set user. Okay, and here what we had before, where was it, this one, yeah, this entire thing, dashboard, and these things. After dashboard we have these things. Okay, fine, we have this, let's just restart it, npm run dev, and here also let's restart it, npm run dev. Okay, Rohib, shukriya. Okay, bro, don't use GPT, use Google, use Docs. Like, for we have done, like, we went through Google Docs as well, and we made notes as well, like we implemented this kind of architecture. Okay, have you tried Redis? It's super easy to make cube with it. Yes, I have tried Redis. Use Vim. Actually, I don't know Vim, and to be honest, I'm not a big fan of those kind of editors, because unnecessarily we have to understand lot of syntaxes. Tharun, for advanced backend, which technology should I prefer? As I am from AIML background, so else Python. If you want to get into Python, then if you're from Python background and you want to learn advanced backend, then I will suggest you either start with Fast API or Django. Hi bro, hello Shubham, welcome to the stream. Bro, VS Code is best. Yeah man, VS Code is, I'm till now I don't have any complaints with VS Code. So why to switch unnecessarily, to be honest. Okay, localhost. Now let's see what we get. We have this, continue with Google. Warning, using this console may allow attackers to impersonate you and steal your information. Nice. Continue. What happened? Oh, okay, I think I know the issue. Why? Because here we got the token. If access token, nothing happened. Remove this line. Set access token. Okay, let's try this now. Try it again. And instead of redirecting, let's comment it. Let's see what we get. This. Okay. Oh, actually the thing is we can use two use effects actually. We have that. Okay, so let's make one use effect for that. Let's do one thing, that get access token, this entire thing, get it out from here, copy it, and put this here. And for now let's keep it here and create another use effect. We have this, and here let's put this one, and here put this. Okay, then after this one, copy this, then call this get current user. Now let's see what we get. Localhost 3000. Fine. Inspect network. Okay. In production, using use effect is banned. Okay. Do this. We have this. Continue. Me. Invalid access token. Hold on. What if in this situation, before we do this, let's console.log the access token. What happens here? Access token is null, remember that. And now see, we don't have anything here, and we have this, add this, continue. Yeah, the main issue is access token is null here. So what is happening is, all of this is happening. Okay, response. Let's do one thing. Let's console.log response.data.access token. We have this, and let's do this again. Localhost 3000. Continue with Google. Do this, and let's do continue here. What is happening? See, that response we are not getting here. Why? Because this use effect, get access token, we are calling it. Then we have another use effect. So this access console.response.data, why are we not getting it? Let's do one thing. Let's do response.data like this. Let's try again. Let's see, localhost 3000, because previously it was working. Continue with Google. Do this and add this here. See, okay, it is taking time to get the refresh token. Okay, what we can do is, we are getting undefined. Yeah, that is the issue. Stack code. I was learning CUDA programming. Now my mind is full. Okay, nice. Bro, give delimiter before consoling anything. Okay. Use nodemon to avoid always rerun. Actually, here nodemon. Yeah, we can do that. Bro, I visited a training center. They teach it course to internship. They told me, do you really think you learn all things from YouTube? So I am confused. See, the thing is, yes, you can learn everything from YouTube, but you have to do your own research. You have to see, in YouTube they will teach you the basics, then advanced you have to learn on your own. I got the issue. So the issue is we have to use something called a delimiter to avoid it. Let's see, we can do this here only. This is my code. Dashboard slash page.tsx, and here if I go, where is it? Request.data. Request.data will get me this whole thing. Data dot response. Okay, hold on. Here instead of response.data.access token. Hold on. If I do this localhost 3000, what we get? Do this here. Do this here. Continue. Yeah. So okay. So here we have to make a response.data.access token. So this we can remove. What if I try it again? Localhost 3000. Continue with Google. Go here. Continue. Yeah. So okay, got the issue. So this is my code. This is my code. Page.tsx. I am getting this error. Put this. And after this error as well. Copy, and here paste it. Okay, bro. Okay, nice. Neostack, bro. Have you sat for placement? I have a question. I had a job. I left my job 4 months ago. I was working as a service-based company as a Spring Boot developer, and then I left my job 4 months ago. So, and I cracked it off campus. So yeah, you can ask a question. Okay, nice. Fix 1, make second effect depend on access token. Okay. Fix 2, protect against null user. Yeah, we can make it dependent on access token actually. Here, see, the second one should depend on access token dependency. Access token. Okay, we have this here. And get current user. And here we can do this. If there is no access token, we can simply return. Okay, it does authorization. Nice. Response.data. Okay, fine. Fix to protect a null user. Okay, before ending. Okay, const init. Okay, use effect, set user init. Hold on, instead of 2 separate use effects, you can do one only init. Access token, user response, erase condition entirely. One thing I'm still curious, this yes / refresh token is working. Mayur, is learning AML from Apna college good? I have no idea, man. I never checked it out. Like goal completed. Oh, thanks, guys. Thanks for completing the like goals. Which antivirus you use for PC? McAfee. What do you think of Code with Harry? Code with Harry is the goat, man. Like, I learned a lot from his YouTube channel. Like, his older videos I used to follow a lot. Then, then I stopped following it because, like, I got busy with other things. But he's a goat, to be honest. He's a very good teacher. I learned basics web development from him initially. I learned Django from his YouTube channel. Okay. PC laptop specifications. Okay, my laptop has 16 GB RAM, 16 GB RAM, Intel Core i5 processor, 500 GB SSD, Intel Iris Xe graphics card, and Windows 11, and that's it. Okay. From initial render, but does not wait. Okay. Easiest fix, init. Okay, order fix. Okay, copy this. Let's keep it one only. So instead of 2 renders, we can make it one only. Put this away. And here also. Put this away. And put this like this. Okay. And what is happening? See, we have this with credentials. Okay. Access token, return access token, user response, await, headers. Okay, nice, init. Okay, fix the crash. Okay, we have to fix the crash. If before this we have to put this here, not found. Okay, now let's see what we get. Localhost. Okay, we have this. Continue. Yeah, see, now we are getting it. So yeah, we can just make it a little pretty to look. Dashboard and class name. Flex, justify, center, items, center, let's keep it like this. So let's not give this. Welcome to the dashboard. Welcome to the dashboard. And here we're not welcome to the dashboard. Okay. Welcome to the dashboard. Welcome to the dashboard. $user dot email. Go here. Welcome to the dashboard. This. Fine. This is working. Yeah, now I think we can conclude that this is done. So this is working now. And if I again go here, and if I do Google login, continue with Google, we have this. Continue. Dashboard. Welcome to dashboard. Yeah, this is fine. So Google Auth we have implemented. So this thing is working as well. Here we can conclude this. that redirection is done. Okay. Oh, flex width full. Yeah, width full. Just let's do that. Let's make it simple. Flex width full. Justify center. Items center. Go here. Continue with Google. Do this. But I want it in the center of the here. What we can do is we can give it BG red 51. Let's see the background color. Yeah, this is the reason. So minimum height is, let's make it 500 pixel. Yeah. So instead of this, what we can do is we can make it screen. Yeah. And instead of this, we can remove this. Fine. Welcome to the dashboard, and let's make it class name text Excel. Welcome to the dashboard. This is my email. Fine. Okay. This is fine. So this is working. This is working. This part is working. And the thing is, okay, bro, give height. Yeah, I gave height. Dashboard. And also here, component app, dashboard, page, flex, justify center, and flex col. Yeah, now it is better. And let's make it class name text to Excel dashboard. Okay, yeah, now this is working. This is fine. Yeah, this we can conclude that this part is done. So redirect to front end. Okay, so this entire thing is done. Step 9 Google auth. We implemented entire Google auth, right? So here we can conclude. Okay. Shubham Mishra, after code with Harry, yes, Choir code is the ultimate goat. I agree. We have this, and then we have, after this, we implemented user system. Yeah, we built a user system. Then we built OAuth. Very good. Google login done. So authentication authorization part is completely done. Now we have to get understanding about XSS, secure headers, and all these things. Okay. Okay. So once this part is done, here we go. So now, where is it? Where is it? User role management. This part is also done only. Make it like this. And then after this, we have implementation plan here. Where is it? Yeah, this Google auth is done. Now this Google auth is done. Copy this. Now we are going to start with rate limiting and abuse prevention, like in how to use rate limiting in login and points, right? This is the main goal. Yep, that's the main goal. So for this one, we have to use this chat, the main chat. Close this, close this, close this. Okay, so okay, this is our RBAC. Done. Okay. Secure cookies. Okay. Login flow. Done. Okay. Step 1, project foundation. Okay, let's go here. Notion. We have this project foundation. Login flow, secure cookie handling, RBAC part. Step 7, RBAC part. Okay. So if I go here and if I try to find Yeah, RBC, this is my admin service. Okay, okay. So I'm done. Okay. Okay. We have this secure cookies. Yeah, this one. So this is the like prompt. Okay. Now I can say that. Now if I go here, so I have completed step 9 Google Auth. Step 9 Google Auth. And now rate limiting and prevention abuse and abuse prevention. Okay, use this here. Fine. Now let's see what we get. Shubham Mishra, bro, if you removed AI, how much you able to make your SaaS without taking too much help of anyone? I think if I remove AI, then it will like I can build the SaaS, but it will take time, like around I don't know. It will take a lot of time to be honest because AI makes the productivity really fast, but it's very important to understand the code before you implement it. I keep saying that. Okay. Have you tried making a scraper of LinkedIn or Indeed jobs? No, bro, I'm not done that, Gurveer. Francesco, hello, Francesco, welcome to the stream. Hi, are you still working on the appointment booking SaaS? See, appointment booking SaaS development is done. Now I need to register my business. Only then we can deploy it. The reason is that I'm using the payout feature, right? Because the payment is going to the user's client's bank account. So for that reason, I have to register my business. Only then I can use the payout feature. Sanskari. DSA is free for any language. The concept are same, just code is different. True. Indrajit, bro, just using AI. It's used for like. Can you explain, Indrajit? What do you mean? See, I have learned everything in C++. Do programming language matter while solving problems? Give an interview, or we use own choice. See, in interviews, they will tell you to use any programming language. Just vibes 440. Welcome to stream. Just vibes. DSA with Python or DSA with C++? DSA with any language that you're comfortable in, to be honest. It does not matter. You are doing it with C++ or Python. So, yeah. Okay, fine. Most tutorials stop. Okay. Credential stuffing, brute force attacks, password spraying, bot traffic, API abuse, refresh token abuse, account enumeration, DOS attempts. Okay, so now we are getting into the security, like how to make our login, like authentication secure of attacks. Okay, the production system protects login endpoints. Okay, phase 10. Yeah, this is important. Step 10. So now let's create this. Step 10. And put this here. And for this one, increase the text size, heading 3. And then here we need all of this topics. Okay. Global API rate limiting, auth endpoints protection, progressive login lockouts, refresh token abuse protection, account enumeration protection, bot protection. Yeah, now we are going to implement CAPTCHA as well. Okay. I was able to scrape 130 jobs under 2 minutes using scraper. That's nice. Others, data analyst or AI ML engineer. Go with AI ML engineer. Distributed rate limiting. Okay. Use an express rate limit. Okay. Just a sec. I have to check that we use express rate limit. If I go here, repositories, and here if I go, where is it? This one. And for rate limiting, SRC, we have Redis here. We used Redis, right? And then for utils, we have auth helper. Okay. Then after this, what we had? We had middleware, yeah, rate limiter. We have a rate limiter, rate limit, global rate limit. Okay, store, new Redis store. Yeah, this one. Okay. Express rate limit. Okay. By the way, I want to use Express. I want to use Redis for rate limiting as well. And for this one, we use Redis or IO Redis. Where is it? Close this, backend package.json. And here we used dependencies was IO Redis. Okay. Phase 10. Okay. IO Redis. Okay, Express rate limit Redis. Hold on. We have this. Okay, we'll see. What we can do is here we have this. Auth limiter, step 7, real production. Okay. Secure headers. Where do we have that? Just a sec. Before we proceed with this, where was it? You use IO Redis. Yes, I use IO Redis. हर दिन DSA array से च्यू करना पड़ता है. array infinite loop में चल रहा है. Don't do all the questions in array. Just do like जैसे मैंने कहा 3:5:2 ratio में करो. Okay, for backend, do I use Express next? Go with Express because it will help you understand the basics. But I've started learning backends recently. Can you help me? What is your plan to learn it? And the prompt for ChatGPT for next some content. Actually, I've shared the prompt in my Discord server. You can join my Discord server. The link in the description of the stream. I will find the prompts there. Okay. Phase 10A. What was the phases? Global API remit. These were the phases. Okay. I am following with these phases. Please guide me and teach me phase by phase. Okay, and then here I can give this phases. We are going with these phases, right? So right now we have to start with this phase. Make it orange, okay? And here, where is it? Yeah, this we can make it orange. Now we are in step 10. Okay, fine. Our phase one thing. Okay, since your production is Redis should not be the phase 10G, Redis should be introduced early because correct. Now I told I'm following this. Now Redis is making me introduce Redis before only. And how many phases? 10G, okay. And by the time we reach 10G, there will be almost nothing left to migrate. 10A global API rate limit. Protect your entire API from request flooding, basic DOS attempts, aggressive scraping, accident client loops, okay. Karthi, bro, any reason for using ChatGPT as pair programmer and not Claude? The Azure business is better than. Actually, the thing is, I use GPT more because first, I don't want Claude to over-engineer things. I want GPT just to tell me the things and then I try to teach it myself. I use AI only to teach myself, but I don't want. See, GPT is like what you tell it, it gives only that, not extra. And Claude, I save Claude for complex things that GPT cannot do. And Claude has higher, lower limiting issues, like rate limiting issues. So that's why I save Claude for things that cannot be done by GPT. Okay. Bro, tell the ratio 2:3. Okay, see, actually, it is called 2 is to, it is called 3 is to 5 is to 2 ratio. So what we do is, you do like 3 ratio goes to your easy questions in DSA, like array easy questions. 5 ratio goes to the medium questions. And then the 2 ratio goes to the hard questions. Right, and you can make this like 20 easy questions, 50 medium questions, and 30 or 20 hard questions. So this is what I call 3:5:2 ratio, where you break, for example, you take array and then you do 30 easy questions, 50 medium questions, and 20 hard questions, and then you move on to the next topic. Okay. DK Gaming, bro, how you learn TypeScript? Can you tell me best channel in YouTube? See, I learned TypeScript. Like for TypeScript, you can follow this YouTube channel. There are lots of TypeScript videos actually. You just need one good video. TypeScript tutorial. And for this, yeah, this one. This Chire code TypeScript, this is enough, to be honest. Fine. Francisco, good job. Keep grinding. Consistency is everything. Personally, I'm focused on agentic AI right now and managing agents and automated workflows. Actually, Francisco, that's my goal as well. The idea that I have for my startup is related to AI agents only. So initially, after learning advanced backend system design concepts, I'm going to migrate to understanding, building full stack AI agents like going into AI agents only. So that, like, after this thing, we are going to get into AI agents. Karthik. So okay, so you just want hints from GPT so that you are in the right track instead of getting the whole thing at plate. Exactly, Karthik. So GPT actually don't gives me entire code without asking. It just gives me small snippets, and then I try to figure out that like it's like solving a puzzle. Like Prisha at peak. Hello Prisha at peak. Welcome to the stream, and thanks for subscribing to this channel. So that's why I use GPT, because it only gives me small snippets, and then I try to understand, okay, where this code fits and how, like, I also understand the entire code base before I implement it. So that's why I stick to GPT. Aditya, hello Aditya, welcome to the stream. Will you suggest me to watch videos or backend to use AI like GPT? First, I always say that first start with tutorials, because tutorial will give you the confidence and the basic understanding, because we have to understand that AI can hallucinate. AI can also teach you wrong things confidently, right? So you need to have that basic understanding where you can judge if AI is teaching you correctly or it is not teaching you correctly. So for that understanding, you need to watch tutorials. You need to go old school a bit. You have to watch tutorials. You have to read documentations. Then after watching tutorials, whatever you have learned from that tutorial, use that knowledge to build something simple. Then eventually you can use AI to teach yourself, because AI can hallucinate. Satyam, missed my chat, bro. Like, what was your chat? Satyam? Bro, what do you do when things go slow? You are stuck onto something for like a week and things doesn't move much. It kind of becomes demotivating. See, when I get stuck, I take it personally that how can I stay stuck? And I make it a challenge that unless and until I solve it, I will not move forward. No matter what happens, I will not move forward. And I give my best, and I do solve it. So that is the thing. And I have faced issues where I have solved, like I have stuck with one issue for a month. So that's why, like, patience was built in me naturally, because I used to take it personally that I have to solve it no matter what. So that's the thing. It helped me. And the microservices, like, eventually we are going to get into microservice as well. Karthi, I hate doing maths, man. For DSA, I have to attend classes for DSA. Okay. Shubham, what is the future of data analyst? A data analyst has a strong future, but like For fresher, it is a little difficult to get into a data analyst job role. Okay, we have this. So right now for fee for this one, where is it? Option. Yeah. For this chat, let's keep the chat here. So for this one, we are following this chat. Hold on. Where is it? Step 10, we are following this chat only. This is the chat for like step 10. Okay. So what I can do here is close this, and go here. We have this one. Delete this. Okay. cd dot ls git branch feature Google OAuth. Go to this feature Google OAuth, git branch. We have this branch. Okay, then git switch to this branch. We have to add switch here. Add switch. Then we have git branch. Okay, git status, git add, git status, git commit. What was the git commit? What we did today, like today we did, where is it? We completed create session, set refresh token. Okay, create session, set a refresh token cookie, and redirect to front end completed. Okay, then we can say that Google OAuth implementation completed. Okay, Google OAuth implementation completed. Then git push to origin, from this branch, okay. Branch. Now if I go to my GitHub and see if the code has been pushed successfully or not, we can go here, repository. What is the future of cybersecurity? See, cybersecurity is one of the most important fields in information technology, and cybersecurity is going to stay. गलगोटिया वाला एमबीए के लिए बुला रहा है. Karthi, is your lab plugged in or not? Right now it is plugged in. Few hours ago it was not plugged in. Okay. Which stack you suggest is the best to carry on as a fresher? Mern stack or Python based tech stack. So if I go here and then we go to the Google OAuth company account. Okay, create session, go to backend, src modules, OAuth service. Hold on, where is it? Handle Google callback, auth session. We are creating the session. Okay, fine. Then we go to the controller, and then we are doing this, and then we are redirecting the URL. True, we are redirecting the URL. Fine, we are redirecting the URL. Okay, and then in front end, back end, front end, app, dashboard, page.tsx, we have implement. Okay, fine. So like code has been pushed. Now I have to push it in the main branch. Okay, so if I go here, git branch, git switch to main branch, git branch, main branch, then git pull origin main, then git merge, where is it? Git merge Google OAuth, this branch, git merge this one, then git push to origin from main. Okay, then here if I go and I refresh in the main branch, same thing, backend src module auth and service. What do we have? Our session has been okay, fine. And similarly, let's quickly check for front end app dashboard page.tsx. Yeah, okay, so code has been pushed, and guys, the code is available in the GitHub repository. You can the repository link in the description of the stream. You can check out the code there. Do you feel imposter syndrome? Actually, I don't feel imposter syndrome. Why? Because I believe in myself. I know if I do something and I can do it again. Which is the best resource to get pro in React.js? See, I learned React.js from Chayar Code YouTube channel. I learned it from there only. Okay. We can close this. And here we have this. Okay. Let's see what's happening in Twitter. Okay. Probably the most boring Apple event. How do you structure a project so AI doesn't break everything later? Good question. You need to buy a new domain. Which platform are you choosing? Okay, let me get here. And if I go to my profile, okay, let's see what else do we have. Twitter is cool, but it's 100 times better when your timeline is full with people who code and build things. True. A friendly reminder, you guys, once again, do not wear Meta smart glasses in washroom. This thing records at very random moments. Okay. A 19-year-old today with Stripe, Claude and 10k followers in X has more leverage than most people with MBAs. Okay, true, I agree with this point. Hey, hello Speedy, welcome to the stream. What's up? Bro, your English is very good. How did you improve your communication skills? I improve my communication. Like, see, I like to read books. That helped me with my reading skills and speaking skills. And, like, the more you speak, like, it's all about confidence. And I don't, I don't think that if I have removed that thought from my head that if I fumble, people will laugh at me. I removed that fear from my head. Karthi, bro, I just followed you on X. Okay, thanks, Karthi. Thanks for following, man. Karthi, do I hate MBA grads? Actually, I don't hate, but I think that right now degrees are becoming less and less relevant, to be honest. But yeah, DevOps industry में कैसे घुसे? See, DevOps industry, as a fresher, it is a bit difficult to get into DevOps industry. Why? Because DevOps, if you see, DevOps for a senior engineer role के लिए मिलेगा. So if you want to get into DevOps, first you have to get into development. Then only you will understand DevOps. Okay. If you are building in public and we haven't connected, let's fix that. Drop one sentence pitch on what you're working on and replies, I'm looking forward new projects to follow. Okay, nice. A guy from India messages a US startup founder asking for internship. The founder replies, we only have from okay. The guy says, okay, close the chat. 6 months later, the same founder posts on LinkedIn. What did he post? We are struggling to find good engineers. Talent is scarce. Okay, nice. Nice one. Where do founders get their domain from? Okay. How did you remove that fear of fumble? It's really very hard for me. Shivam saying the thing is, what happens, for example, if you see that someone, you are in a friend group, right? And then one of your friends starts speaking in English and that guy is trying very hard, but still that guy is fumbling. Then you need to, most of the people will laugh at him, right? But we need to see that he knows that people are going to laugh at him, but still he is trying. So just having that mindset, like it beats 99% of the people out there. You know that people are going to make fun of you. People will try to pull you down. People will try to, find flaws in you, but still you're trying because you know that these people are not relevant in your life, right? So yes, people will laugh at you, but don't let it affect you, because once now they will laugh. See what happens. First they laugh, first they notice what you are doing, then when you start getting result, then they start following you, right? So understand this really well. First they laugh, they keep on laughing, but then if you still keep trying, then they will notice you. Then when you get result, they will start following you. So this thing will always remove any fear that comes in your head. People don't care if people is laughing, let them laugh. Who gives a shit, right? Speedy, I want suggestions from you. Like, I have come to my MCA and I am looking for a job regardless of salary. Can you suggest me a platform? See, if you're looking for a job, first thing, whatever tech stack you are comfortable in, build good projects. I keep saying that because projects will help you get interview calls. Build good projects, showcase your projects, build in public, deploy those projects. And once you deploy those projects, start growing your network. What you can, when I say build in public, I meant Twitter, not LinkedIn. I hate LinkedIn. I'm a big hater of LinkedIn because LinkedIn is useless. Go to Twitter, create your account, and start posting about what you are trying to build, why you're trying to build it, and what are the issues you are trying to solve with your projects, right? And your projects should look like product. So keep building those things, and then build a strong resume and make sure you deploy your projects, because without deployment, it gets a little difficult. So try to deploy your projects. If you are not able to deploy, that's fine. At least provide GitHub link of that project in your resume, and build a strong resume and start applying to startups. I keep saying that startups are very underrated, because startups are a great way to get into the industry, because startups are going to respect your skill, because startups do need developers to build products for them, right? So I will suggest either go with well-funded startups or go with simple startups. Like maybe you can try to get an internship in a startup, and then eventually you will get a full-time job role as well. Okay. Fine. Okay. अभी भाई कैसे हो? मैं बढ़िया. राहुल शर्मा, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम. आप कैसे हो? Bro, I just cleared my third year. I need to crack good placements. Now I have left with 6 to 8 months. I'm confused with what to do. So bro, what to do now? Now I have left 6 to 8 months. I'm confused. Okay. Build projects and do DSA. Hello Pranav, welcome to the stream. Who is that behind you? That's me only. मेरी आत्मा है. Singh Abhinav. Hello Singh Abhinav, welcome to the stream. My placement season are going to start, but I don't have any good project. Can you suggest me some idea? See, the best way to build any project is build a MVP version of any app that you're using. That's the best way to build projects. Bro, why did you left your job and what was your salary? See, my salary was not much. It was around the tax slab, and I left my job because my goal was always to build my own startup, right? So that's why I left my job, because there was no work-life balance, and it was a service-based company. It was an MNC, and you know that, like you might know that how in service-based company they exploit the employees. So that's why I left the job, because I was not enjoying the job, and there was no work-life balance. Even on weekends I have to work, and there was no extra pay as well. So I thought, let's leave it, and I wanted to build my startup for a very long time. So I thought, let's take it seriously now. Speedy, thank you so much, brother. Welcome, Speedy. Okay, in Twitter, everyone is a crack dev. Okay. Where do you suggest to deploy projects for free? Vercel, Render, Netlify. Does SaaS business work in India? Views. See, SaaS project will give you a leverage where you can build a product in India, but you can market it in entire globe. Okay. Java developer job market. Java developer job market. See, job is there for Java developers. There's no doubt about that, right? But the thing is, if you do the research, you will find out that for Java developers, they are looking for experienced developers, like developers who are already in the industry. So if you see, you will notice that for Java developers, even for freshers, they are mentioning 2 years of experience. So I don't understand how freshers can get 2 years of experience. Okay, keep up the good work. Thanks, man. Karthi, see my project and give some Karthi 65 dark. Karthi 65 dark, what is that? Okay. Cod AI. Try authentication over. Okay. You do unsave all screen. Okay, okay. Firstly, I built it. You can drop the link in the Discord server. We have this notifications. Let's see what is happening. See, I enjoy using Twitter a lot because see, we built an open source SRE agents and scaled it fast. Now we need people who want to own parts of it. Nice. See, if anybody is interested in working in an open source project, you can follow this guy. He is working on an open source project. You can follow him. That's my a anime of my account. Just give some shit name, bro. What is a anime of my account? Like a Twitter account. Okay. Why no one cares about your Twitter post? Engineering content supposting slop posting. Okay. That's okay. Krishna Ahuja, where are you from? How old are you? I'm from West Bengal, India, and I'm 25 years. Like tomorrow only on 10th I will become 26th. So yeah, like my birthday is on 10th June. So I will become 26 years old. So right now I'm 25. Like by tomorrow I'll become 26 years old. How do you keep yourself up to date with tech market? I keep myself updated by following tech news, seeing what people are building and which type of like I also do market research using Trust MRR. GitHub username. Okay, let's see, github.com, and let's go for Karthi 65 dark. Okay, Karthi, it is showing Karthi 65 dark. It is showing not found. अच्छा, तुम बंगाली जानते हो? हाँ, I know, আমি বাংলা বলতে পারি, বুঝতেও পারি. Have you tried creating project with agents, like assigning issue in GitHub to Copilot and trusting the code? I have not tried it yet. Send in Discord. Can search on Google as well. Okay, let's see. Okay, if I go here, Discord. Alternative finance built to explore. UI is nice. Paper trading. Bro, UI is actually very professional. This one. Modals. Damn. Very nice. What else? इतनी हंसी कि इनका आशिक मैं बन गया हूँ, इनको बता ले इनमें तू. Cod AI. Okay. SLK. अरे वाह, वालों कथा, बट हिंदी में ही बात करते हैं, यही ठीक है. हाँ, कर सकते हैं. गेट स्टार्टेड, क्रिएटर अकाउंट, ईमेल एड्रेस, पासवर्ड, कंफर्म पासवर्ड. ओके. See, right now I don't want to show, like, enroll it because let's see, pricing $5 a month. Upgrade to Pro. One is not okay. Now with LLM, it's very hard to judge candidates based on GitHub projects. Yeah, but when it comes to interview, if like you can ask the candidate to explain the project, you will understand if they are able to explain the project or not. So how was your plan to build your own startup? See, my plan is to first build it myself, like the MVP version, then launch it ASAP. Dev help. Would love to, but I don't have knowledge this. Okay. Could I provide reviews and suggestion? Okay, let's see. Risk our projects contain complete computing stack built from scratch. Bro, that's a good project. Let's see. Package language is Python assembly. Bro, that's a like it's a very advanced level project. Let's see. RIS assembler.py. Find all labels. And what are these called? R type, code system, R type, J type, S type. Get binary numbers from register name. Like, what does it do? Hold on. What does this project do? Converts assembly to binary. Oh, assembly to binary. Interesting. What else? Start here. Okay. Your energy stop, bro. Thanks, Karthi. Thanks a lot, man. Try this, bro. Like what? Wait, I send you in Discord. Yeah, you can send it in my Discord server. Let's close this. Top system design topics for interviews. Design Twitter. Design Instagram. WhatsApp. Nice. Okay, close this. 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 This as well. Okay, all right, everyone. I think I'll wrap up now. And thanks for joining the stream. And if you enjoyed the stream, do consider subscribing to this channel and drop a like. And I'll see you in the next stream. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye and good night.